All right, good morning, guys. Here we go. Now I can hear you guys. Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? All right. So how was it? Was it good?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, let's move this over here. All right. YouTube is on. All right, sweet. Good morning, YouTube. All right. All right. All right, guys. So first thing first, welcome. Oh, let's adjust this camera. And sorry guys, the lighting's not gonna be super good today because my light just died on me. My selfie slash ring of light. I don't know what the hell is happening here, but it just died. So anyways, so welcome. So if it's your first time here, sorry. Oh my god, this is way too early. Welcome. If this is your first time, this is a Franglish session. So basically, I'll be bouncing from French to English. We're gonna be trading live. We're gonna give you trade ideas. We're gonna review your charts, guys. If you're coming on Zoom, make sure you zoom yourself. Make sure you mute yourself. Holy, that's gonna be a great session. Yeah. So basically, if you want us to take a look at your chart, really simple on YouTube. You need to go click on that little camera button here. You're gonna go to the end of the link. You're gonna select the \x to the end. You're gonna copy paste that in the chat, and we're gonna be able to take a look at it. All right, so let me do this in French. Donc, si c'est votre première fois ici, bienvenue. C'est une session en trading live, donc en franglais. On va se promener de l'anglais au français pour répondre au plus de questions possibles. On va vous donner des idées de trade et aussi vous pouvez envoyer vos idées à vous pour les faire analyser. Donc, tout simplement, cliquez sur le bouton de la caméra ici sur TradingView, nous envoyer le lien à la fin, dans le fond, à partir de la barre oblique et le X jusqu'à la fin, et vous collez ça dans le chat. Donc, maintenant, sans plus tarder, on va faire notre analyse complète. So now let's do our top-down analysis. Let's jump to, hey, morning guys, morning Hassan, morning Big Mac. Richard Farmer, what's up? What's up? Thank you for the value, Sasha. Oh, you're welcome. You are welcome. You see, I don't know if some of you watched the Forex talk over beer from yesterday night. It's actually available for replay now on the channel, but it's a trade that I talked about yesterday night. So this actually wasn't there, right? And I said price was actually, I think right here. Yeah, no, right here. Yeah, price was right here. Because it was from 6 to 7, right? The episode, so it was right here. So I said, if price comes up here, wait for a break, wait for this break, retest and go. We never had the retest, and price went down. Where from the other idea I had, it was either price coming down over here and reject. So actually, price came. If you see on the 30-minute, price came down straight to the zone I pointed right here. And again, this arrow, if you watch the episode from yesterday night Forex Talk Over Beer, you'll see this information wasn't there, right? And I did this same arrow here. Price came down and now create a new high now. So we're gonna talk about where price at now. But first, let's delete everything and let's do our top-down analysis. Donc, si vous regardez, hey, morning, morning. Donc, si vous regardez l'épisode d'hier de Forex Talk Over Beer, vous allez voir qu'il n'y avait pas cette information-là ici. J'ai parlé de ce trade-là. J'avais dit soit qu'on a un bris, un retest de la zone, puis qu'on va, ce que finalement on n'a jamais eu ici, ou soit qu'on va venir dans cette zone-ci pour rejeter. J'avais pas cette information-là ici hier. Et c'est exactement ce qui t'avait prévenu ici. rejeté. Et là, on a créé un nouveau haut, puis on va parler de ça. All right, so now I was pointing in the wrong screen. So basically, price came down over here and reject over there, right? So now let's remove everything and we're gonna do some fresh zone. So let's delete all this. Here we go. All right, so let's go to the monthly. All right, so again, this monthly, man, is just like pumping hard, bullish. Again, we still have this weekly wick fill I've been talking about for like 1 week now. So let's see if we can finally fill this up. You're gonna be able to see it right here. So this is the weekly wick fill plus a weekly resistance right there, that black line, right? So gotta keep that in mind. Are we gonna quick fill this? There's a big chance. This is our next target. Looking at the daily. Oh, let me do this in French. Donc, si on regarde le chart de la semaine, donc j'avais identifié il y a déjà près d'une semaine, en fait, un remplissage de mèche ici sur le chart de la semaine et aussi une résistance ici. Donc, c'est dans cet endroit-là qu'on se dirige en ce moment. Ça fait plus d'une semaine que je parle de ce remplissage de mèche-là. On est sur le bord on est très très près de l'avoir. Donc, regardons le daily. Donc, si on regarde le daily, le prix est venu ici créer un nouveau sommet. On a retracé vers le bas pour former un support, pour retester ce nouveau haut-là. Et là, maintenant, on a brisé et on est en voie vers le haut, justement, pour aller à cette nouvelle zone-là qui est notre weekly wick fill. Puis si on regarde à gauche ici, on va voir cette zone ici, là, qui est le weak fill. Okay? Puis on va voir en 4 heures, il y a une résistance ici. Donc, so if you look at the daily, daily now basically create a new high, came back down, formed support, and retest the high. So now we kind of broke, and we're just on our way to our next wick fill here, which is the weekly wick fill we'll talk about. 4 hours, basically here we have kind of fake out to the downside here previously this week, and now price form support, and we just like on the way up there. So now the past 4 hours just formed support, so I think price is ready to push up at this moment. This new 4 hour candle needs to form this bottom wick and push back up, so I think it's something we already did in the past like 40-ish minutes. So we'll see. But I think price needs to come a little lower before starting to push up, but something we'll talk about. Oh yeah, and as you see, that was my full TP I was aiming for that trade from yesterday night. Donc si on regarde sur le chart du 4 heures, donc on va commencer à mettre nos zones ici. Donc on voit qu'on a le prix ici au début de la semaine. On a eu un bris vers le bas. Un petit fake out, on était sûr que c'était pour continuer à descendre, mais finalement ça a été rejeté. Et maintenant, on continue à pousser vers le haut. So we got our first resistance right here. Right. We got this support right here. This support also here. This one. Now let's adjust it on the 1 hour. All right, so let's see here what we got. Okay, so the most recent resistance right here now. Donc ça, c'est la résistance la plus récente maintenant. Let's take a look here. So this didn't change, so that's pretty good. This one here, I'm gonna put it over here. And yeah, I think that's pretty good. Yeah, so now on the 1 hour, price form resistance. So price needs to come down, form support, retest the high. Donc si on regarde sur le 1 heure, on a créé un nouveau sommet. Maintenant, on a besoin que le prix redescende vers le bas, former un support pour pousser vers le haut. So maybe a support can be formed around 152 maybe. That can be a great spot to form support. Peut-être que le prix va former un support autour de 152. Let's do our fib on H1. Give us an idea. Oh, exactly. Oh, that's really close to it. Right? But we're gonna verify it on 30 minute if that makes sense. But it should be right there. Actually, the safety zone is right in between. I mean, this major is between the safety zone and the fib in the golden zone. And as you see, price is coming down now. So if you're taking a counter trend trade, just know that it's gonna be super risky, right? Right, so adjusting our zone here. Right, all right, all right. This, okay, so let's do here from the swing low to swing high. Let's see. Oh, look at this. I said support around 152, and that's pretty close to it, right? Here we go. So one of the plans going to be to wait. What the hell? So one of the plans going to be to wait for support form. And the other plan is, let's say there's price just shoot up. Probably going to be looking, I don't know, it's going to be real tight here between those two zones. So yeah, that's my only play here on GJ. Yeah, the only play I'm looking at. I'm looking to retest that, and that's gonna give us like probably like a something around like a 40 pip range, you know, kind of. So that should be good. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Let's do this in French. Donc, probablement mon seul idée de trade que je regarde pour le pound contre le yen. Donc, le prix est venu vers le haut et je m'attends à ce que le prix vienne former un support autour de 152 dans cette boîte jaune-là, qui est ma zone de retracement sur la zone de retracement de Fibonacci. Yeah, that makes sense. And I don't think we're gonna go sell, so it's not even worth it to look at sells, you know. I mean, there's no way. DJ is so bullish. It's just I'm only looking for buys. All right, so now let's take a look. And again, you can use this golden zone as target. You know, you can do that counter trend trade. Personally, I'm not going to be looking at it. So I know there are some people who took this sell right here. That's doable. You know, you have like, let's say that you took it on the break of the QP, okay, to give you a better chance. You have this 16 pip stop loss because if you took an impulse, right, you want to put it above this wick, and you're aiming probably like something like a 20-ish pip gain, right? So that's an idea, but to be honest, it's counter trend, and I only recommend that for people with experience and lower your risk, right? But it's not something I'm taking. It's not something I'm looking at right now. But it's something I do see that can happen. All right. So before doing GA, let's take a look at some charts here. So we got a chart from Yassine. All right. So this is GJ 4 hours. All right. So 4 hour wick fill. Yes. Price come down right there. Yep. Is that 152 also you looking at? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, correct. So perfect, man. Shit, this thing is clicking. Good job, Yassine, man. If respect your QP at 152, it's nice to buy. Yes. Yep. Good. Right. Okay, let's see the chat here. Hey Zane, what's up, man? Morning, Zane. Hey, what's up, dogs? What's up, Roman? Afternoon, guys. Afternoon. Thank you for okay. I possible long on goal. Please comment on this. Thanks. Okay. Take a look at it. That will go take a look at GA. Da, da, da. Oh, your link doesn't work, Eddie. So Eddie, you need to click on the camera and send that link. Do you trade full time, Sasha, or do you have also a normal job? Oh yeah, I don't trade full time because I think it's very dangerous. It's dangerous to overtrade. But no, for the main reason that I'm working with something that's really in my passion and I'm really enjoying it. And for me, I mean, I trade between 5:30 and 9. So what else you want me to do after? Just like nah. So and I have the chance to be working pretty much like when I want, where I want, which is pretty cool. So yeah, for me it's a perfect fit. It's pretty awesome. And like I said, I gotta work with my dogs every day. So for me, it's the perfect job. And yeah, I gotta meet tons of people. So yeah, I really enjoy it. So the time I'm gonna be stopping this, it's gonna be the time that I have no more challenge and I don't have fun anymore doing it. But right now I'm not even feeling like working. I'm having fun. There's a saying in English says that if you work within your passion, you will not have to work another day of your life. So that's exactly what I'm experiencing right now. So I don't for me I'm not working. I'm just having fun. um Hi Sasha, hi guys. From last week, every day I analyzed and made trading plan for GG and GA during pre-London. 60-70% plan was right, but didn't take a trade because of lack of confidence. Yeah, confidence takes time, but what you can do is enter smaller risk, smaller risk and gain your confidence slowly. Have you faced such a kind of situation at the beginning? And now that's exactly how I did it. I was building my confidence, so I was entering lower risk, very small risk, like tiny risk, but just to build that confidence. I trade full time, but the risk of trading is high. As a rule, I'm finished after 2 3 hours, and then I have nothing more to do. Yeah, exactly. And the thing is if you're not consistent and you start doing trading full time, the problem now is now you get stressed because you need money to pay your rent or your mortgage. You need money to put food on the table for your family. So I mean, it can be very stressful, and your mindset is not going to be right. You're going to take the wrong decision. So that's another different thing also. um you're welcome. So look like this thing is coming down pretty nicely. Excellent. Let's take a look at GA. All right, so let's remove those zone. All right. So let's take a look at the monthly. All right, so let's take a look at the monthly here. So monthly is coming down, kind of ranging here on this monthly time frame. But so far the monthly man respected previous high, respected previous low so far, but now it's bearish. So looking like we might be ending the day bearish and forming resistance. Not the day, but the month. Forming resistance on a monthly, maybe. We have to wait and see later on. Donc, sur le chart du mois, présentement, on a respecté le haut précédent, respecté le pas précédent. On est comme entre les deux présentement. on dirait qu'on va former une genre de résistance sur le chart du mois. Donc, sur le chart de la semaine, on a brisé le bas précédent, respecté le haut précédent. Donc, on devrait continuer vers le bas. Il reste 2 jours à la semaine. On devrait avoir ce remplissage de mèche-là ici. On est très, très près. Et si on brise ce support-là, ben, on va probablement s'en aller au prochain support sur le weekly. So looking at the weekly chart, I mean, we broke previous low, respected previous high. Look like we're gonna wick fill this weekly wick right here on the left. And if we break this support here, we should be heading down to this next level here on this weekly. So looking at the daily, I mean, recently we just formed another resistance here at the previous resistance, and since then we're just pushing down. And right now this previous daily yesterday formed resistance, right? On that daily chart, and now we're coming down. We broke previous low, respected previous high. So look like today we are heading bearish, right? And we tap into this support and now start to reject. So we got to see, maybe price needs on the lower time frame needs to retrace down, form kind of a resistance higher, and destroy that support. Donc principalement, si on regarde sur le chart journalier, hier cette chandelle-là a formé une résistance. Celle d'aujourd'hui a brisé le bas précédent et respecté le haut précédent. Donc on dirait vraiment qu'on va continuer vers le bas. Par contre, on a tapé dans ce support précédent-là et on a commencé à rejeter. Peut-être qu'on doit aller voir sur les time frames plus petits. Le prix a probablement besoin de revenir vers le haut, former une résistance pour avoir plus de force pour briser ce support-là. Looking at 4 hours now, I mean, we're trending pretty well bearish right now. So let's do our zone here. So we got this one here. We have this one here. Next one's going to be. Donc voici mes zones sur le 4 heures. Alright, so now let's go to the lower time frame. Let's take a look at H1. Donc regardons maintenant sur le chart du 1 heure. Let's adjust those zones. Yeah, makes sense. 2. So we got this fresh resistance. The previous resistance before was just right here and looked like we did it over here. Just for fun, what do we have here? And exactly here in the golden zone, now price gonna come down. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good right now. I think that's a pretty good sell opportunity here. Boom. Do this here. Donc, voici les zones qu'on a présentement. Look like doing pretty good here. I think if this candle closed bearish in 3 minutes, it can be a good sell idea. The only thing is we got this minor support here, which is, say, 12 pips away. But like I said, on 1 hour, it's pretty clean though. We got this wick feel and we got a clean candle. So yeah, looking pretty good. Actually, if what time is it now? Yeah. If this closed like this, like kind of a doji, it's a write-off candle for me. I can take this straight based on the H1 and that'll make sense, right? So let's take a look here. What's the option here? So that would be like kind of a 22-ish pip stop loss based on the 1 hour. But maybe we can place the stop base on the 30-minute. Yeah, no, that's going to be a little tight on this here. 30 minutes going to be like, yeah, it's not so bad. 13, 15 pip stop loss. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. sense. But we gotta make sure like this close either doji and this 30-minute close. I would like to see this 30-minute close under this QP here. Yeah, and I think that would make sense. Morning, morning. What?
My fault, Sasha.
Oh, okay, okay, no problem. I was like, wait a second. Someone is asking a question, but the mic fade out. Yes.
Morning, I'm sorry.
Good morning, Mike.
Explain on
I just did it. You didn't see it?
no, I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. Give me one sec. All right, so I just stake an entry here, and we'll see how this plays out on GA. Yeah, so 1 hour close small doji here. Nice wick rejection here to this golden zone. And this 30-minute close engulfing here. So, of course, this minor support here, but on H1s look pretty nice. So we might have a little problem here coming down, but I think once that's done, we're going to be fine to mirror this move here to the downside. So if we break this low, I mean, this thing should coming down pretty nicely. All right, so basically this fib, it's always swing high to swing low, right?
Yes.
So swing high to swing low, right? Wait, oh, this one, it's on H1, sorry. To right here. So why is my zone over there? Hold on, wait a second. What did I do? What did I? Oh, yeah. Sorry. Give me one. Hold on. How did I did that? Hold on, wait a second. Am I taking this trade in the wrong zone right now?
One golden zone in H1. One wave to be 152. 118. 115.
No, that makes sense here. I think I did. Oh, I just draw that zone between my my safety net and my yeah, that's my mistake here. So the golden zone is right here. Shit. Good. That was a good question, Mike. That was a good question. So basically, yeah. So it kind of respected the safety net here, the orange line. So I'm gonna put an orange line here for my safety net. Hey, man, whew, what a mistake here. So basically, this golden zone is right here. Yeah, that make more sense. I put it here between my safety net and the 618, but golden zone's right here, right? So, but still form resistance right at this safety net, so it's still pretty good for me, still valid. Only 20% of my trade is going to be taken at the safety net. The rest going to be in the golden zone, right? Good question, Mike. Good question. All right, so let's see the chat here. Yeah. Did you take an entry? Yes.
Already in London. For now, I will be watching only.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I don't. The 30 minutes is a little mess, so it's a little risky. So that's why I only took one entry, right? So I'm not taking my full risk on this trade, because the only thing is I don't like this minor support here. But looking at H1, it's pretty nice. So just need to make sure now this candle is retesting this QP. So once we break this low, this thing should come down. Let's see here. Let's see here. High possible long on gold.
I don't know.
Okay, so we talked about that. Do you trade? No, 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 no. What? Oh. Um. Sasha, can you please check my G analysis, please? Yes. Sure. For sure. For sure. This connection is not private. I'm B. What? What the hell? What was that? Roman, what the hell is the link you just sent me?
One man, your account is gone.
Yeah, that was sketchy, man. It was saying you want to steal my information. What the hell? Man, Raja got hacked yesterday. Now, man, Roman, what's up with that? Um, yes, it is very emotional when you have the pressure to make a living from trading, and it should never be emotional. Exactly. So that's why full-time traders, I mean, you got to be very constant before doing that. And, just that you need, if you want to do full-time trading, make sure you don't have make sure you have some money saved, so you don't have stress, while trading. Waiting for pound to close bullish on 30 minutes. Yes. Yes. So basically waiting for price to come down over here. Um yep, 4 hour close pretty nicely. Very nicely. So I think price needs to come down, form that bottom wick, and push back up. So there's only like what, an hour in that 4 hours. So usually the first half of the candle is gonna come down, and after that we're gonna start pushing up. So we might have a retracement down. Have you placed SL on a previous 30-minute? Yes, previous 30-minute. A little bit above it. Like I have a 15 pip stop loss, thing like that. Oh yeah, I need to put my auto break even. Partial TP at 15 pips. Excellent. Um, Guys, you have also a higher spread on GA than GJ on ECN account? Yes. Yeah, GA is a little more expensive. Hi Sasha, I think you might want to look at 4 hour time frame because previous time 4 hours created support there. It pushed very heavily on GA or GJ. Oh yeah, you're right. Right here. Nice, nice grab here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice grab. Nice grab. Why I didn't look at that? Yeah, pretty nicely. Price came down, push up, but hold on, wait a sec. This daily here. Yeah, when we rejected this area right here. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. If this candle start to come up like over the QP, I'm gonna be closing that trade. GJ just need to come down a little bit more. Albert, bonjour. Bonjour, bonjour Albert. Fais attention avec les liens que les gens t'envoient. Ouais, j'ai vu ça là. Um, guys, please do press the like button. Oh yeah, thanks. Yeah, guys, we got 79 people here. Just don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Let's put this first fist on the screen. Smash that like button, guys. We have 80 people. We got 23 likes. I don't ask for much, just a little like. And if you didn't subscribe to the channel, don't forget to subscribe also. You'll know next time we go live. My spread of GA are kind high, 2.8, 3.0. Oh, mine is 1.4, 1.2, 1.6. So it goes between that right now. And that's with Black Bull Market Prime account. By the way, the link's in the description. So if you guys want to give a try to Black Bull, they have an awesome customer service. Pretty nice spread. Which broker? Yeah, oh, okay. No. GA, il y a un souci vers 18, 78, 604. Effectivement. Effectivement. Just want to make sure now we're getting this break of this QP, maybe a little retest here, and this thing should come down. Because the thing is, we respected this high, right? So we form resistance lower than this high, so that's, for me, it's a pretty good indication we should continue down here. I know that previously around this area, price came down and rejected, which actually happened, and up, rejected, but yeah, I don't know. We're probably forming resistance now to continue down because G is mostly bearish. I mean. Um, oh, Ursula, I'm gonna mute yourself. Oh, here we go. All right, let's take a look at this chart right here. Come on, guys, 38 likes, 78 people. Smash that like button. Smash it good. Oops. Oh, where is it? Here.
It's my trade.
Yeah. All right, so give me one sec. I'm just gonna be looking at it. H1 closures. This is GJ, okay. Which break on the high. Just one thing I love this dog community. uh, price making higher high and higher lows, uptrend. All right, I was looking for potential sales below 151. Same thing, to be honest. I was also looking for a counter trend trade. If a strong H1 or M30 candle close bearish at resistance. All right, that's a pretty good setup here. This was on the 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour.
Yeah, actually, it was right at Frankfurt, right?
Yeah, very nice. Very
Yeah.
nice trade
So
here.
it's like a top 10.
Yep.
So I have taken the trade. So yesterday it was the same setup I have taken, but yesterday it was a little retracement, so I have closed 50%. Then price goes up. Today it was clear setup up to next QP, my target, and my runner almost 90% closed at that QP.
Yep.
And the rest runner it closed at break even.
Nice. Nice. And QP is an area, right? So when price comes close to QP, you make sure you want to secure some profit, put stop at break even, because it might reject the zone, right? That's pretty good. Oh man, where's my trade at? Hold on, wait a second. All right, so let's see what happened here. Yeah, I'm gonna be closing 50% right there. I don't like the fact that it's coming back above that QP. So I'm closing at 5 pips. All right. Minus 5 pips, I mean. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so let's take a look here. Was this same trade here? Oh, that's a different one.
No, that's my second trade. It's
Okay.
on the counter trade.
Oh, that's a EA. Okay.
You can read it, then I will walk you through.
Yeah, so this was a counter trend trade. So you hopefully you knew here. Price make a fake out and 30-minute candle close. Was a counter trend trade. Price broke the support. Price made. Yeah, this one was pretty dangerous.
Yeah, actually, when price made a fake out, it was at Frankfurt Open. So I just taken the entry based on like it was a strong engulfing candle on M30, and it was same time it was on 1 hour also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
When price closed above this candle, so I was I taken the break even at 5 pips. I didn't taken any risk, but price gone to almost 20-25 pips and closed it.
Okay, so you closed it. Okay.
Yeah, it was at I had profits and 25 pips. I closed it.
Okay, perfect. So I'm out of this trade right now on GA, by the way, guys. I think it's a little too early for this. And maybe that's something. Who spotted that support there? Was it Forex? No, who was it? But I think it was something I didn't see, and it can make sense also. So just gonna wait for a better opportunity here. So I was risking 1% and lost 0. Kind of 40-ish, you know? Yeah, can do the math precisely, but around that. So that's pretty good, you know, keeping the losses short, and we'll wait for better opportunity. Um, yeah, that was like this support right here previously.
I had already 2 trades for the London and I had 2 wins. So I will take a break.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you have 2 wins, man, close your MT4.
Coach already. Yeah. Plus, I have set my MT4 entry in testimonial.
Yeah.
Set the MT4 entry.
Sorry, Sasha.
Yes.
Can you look at GG on the 30 minute? I think there might be a possibility for buy
Sure.
on 30 minute.
What time is it?
Yeah. Zoom in. For those wicks. It's creating support right now.
Yeah. We need to make sure this candle close above.
Closes, yeah.
And the only thing though, it's gonna be pips is that. Yeah. It's gonna be tight. It's gonna be tight. Depends on how big this candle print.
That's true. So
It's
maybe
gonna-
the hour then. So too high on the 30 minute.
Yeah.
The hour.
Exactly. And sometimes I took entries like before the full retracement, and the next candle actually came down and right in the full retracement. So I want to be very careful about that.
I think the hour does make sense.
Yeah.
Up right now.
So I guess that was a good idea here to exit this trade on GA, because it would have been a full stop. YouTube reçoit une vidéo de signal suffisant pour maintenant. That's weird. It says that my video is slow on YouTube. Oh, that was Ibrahim who spotted that support. Good spot, Ibrahim. It's actually because of you I was able to reduce my losses. So thank you, man. You see, this is teamwork, man. That's what we call teamwork. Hi guys, please do press. Oh, okay. My screen. En passant, je suis complètement sorti de ce trade sur le pound et dollar australien. Donc, quand j'ai vu le prix qui retournait en haut du QP, j'ai décidé de fermer ma position. Look at this thing. Now, if we break this major QP and we form support there, we might see retracement up. So we got nice clean traffic after that to the upside. So that might be a nice counter trend trade. But yeah, based on what we see at this level last time, it just got rejected pretty nicely. But so far, I mean, price has respected the safety zone here on this fib level. So we'll see how the next one close. GJ is pushing up. Yeah, the thing is 4 hours just form support, right? So this is on GJ, so it's looking pretty good for buys. Just need to wait for a nice entry here on the lower time frame, and yeah, that should do it. And GA, GA is 4 hour at form support right here, so kind of makes sense. Man, can actually take this entry based on 4 hour. Actually, pretty nice on 4 hour. It's just a huge stop, you know. But if you're looking to intraday that, maybe a counter trend trade, I don't know, man. Risky. How many pips is that? Just curious. Phew! Jesus. 50 pip stop. But for possible 100 pips, 130 pips. Gonna be interesting. But you know, like look at 4 hours now. 4 hours is still, you know, trending bearish. We did a new high here. We kind of closed higher than this one, but after that just came straight down and formed a new low. So most of the time that a new low is formed, price will retrace up and you know continue down. Just for an example, let's take a look at the fib here. This 4 hours. So 4 hours, you're looking to a retracement like around this QP, the 79 to 50 QP. So that's H4. So let's what? Put this like that. All right. Wow, man, what a push. Holy. Man, thank God I exited that trade. What's going on with YouTube, man? It says I have a slow connection. Since I open up Roman's link, man. What's up, Roman? What did you attempt on me here? But GG at the same time, it rejected for our resistance also, yeah. But you got to be careful today also, eh? So we got a lot of news coming on at 8, right? So this is all GBP. So I mean, that's why I'm trying to get an entry now. But after that, it's gonna be like it's gonna be rock and roll. Price gonna shoot up or down, but it's gonna be crazy. But right now, looking at the numbers, I mean, looking pretty positive, meaning that they're not looking to at any change, right? But yeah, we should get the news a little faster. We're gonna have probably Mr. Miller watching us right now eating his breakfast. That is Bloomberg Terminal open, so he's gonna be able to help us out. All right, so man, we got 120 people. We got 56 like. Come on, let's smash that like button. Smash it good, boy. All right, so let's see. You have anything here on Forex Factory? On Forex Live, I mean. Um, Sure. Yeah, in an hour and a half. Yeah, so I mean, I guess I'm gonna be just watching GJ. Any more question here? Better sell on GA 4 hour breaks is one low, I think. Oh yes. This is my chart. Can you give me a comment, please? Okay. All right, so we got this here. We got GJ 30-minute. Clean candle to the left. Wait to candle close below support. But why do you want to sell? Why do you want to sell when price is just fully, look at this. Price has been bullish, since March 2020, you know. So why do you want to sell in this setup? Just doesn't make sense. Um, you need to know it's a counter trend trade. It's very risky because we know when price prints up, what price does is really simple. Price comes here, create a low, comes down, create a low, comes down, create a low, comes down, create a low, create a high, I mean. And yeah, so that's basically what we're waiting for right now. We need price to come down and go up. So I don't think that it's going to be a long-term trade to the downside. It's going to be a short-term trade to the downside, right? Oh, what's up, Mark the Stash? Bon, bon, bon. Aí, Savo. Savo,
Good
Savo.
morning, good morning. Morning, Francisco. Good morning.
Oh, what's up, Roger? How you doing? Yeah, I'm gonna get that car clean, man. I'm gonna get it. Man, I need the price for the ceramic coating. You didn't send it to me. I'm very curious. I want to do it too. I want to do it too. So yeah, now news gonna be crazy. So yeah, probably just gonna spectate that. We'll see. Donc, soyez très, très, très prudents. Donc, très important d'être très prudent avec les nouvelles qui vont sortir. Donc, très, très, très important. Les nouvelles vont sortir environ vers 8 heures. Donc, ça, on regarde ici. Donc, on a toutes ces nouvelles-là qui vont sortir par rapport au pound. Donc, il faut être très prudent. All right, so let's take a look here. Do that. um, Man, I'm lost in that chat. Trying to find where I'm at with the message. Sorry, guys. By the way, if I missed one of your chart, just resend it. Where was that chat? Oh, Capital Group, 2 wins. 2 wins, got home run high. Enjoy the profits. Yeah, man, 2 wins. Take a break. So that. It's always a few milliseconds behind. Oh yeah, about the zoom. Yeah, I don't know. I had this message flashing on my stream saying that getting a low speed connection since I opened up Roman's link. That was kind of weird. It says that someone wants to grab my information. All right, so I'm in already. Oh, in which trade, Shane? Took the buy. Okay, let's take a look at this chart here. Oh baby, baby. All right, so let's take a look at this 30-minute GJ. So we got this pretty cute channel. Oh, you took that sell. Wow. Cowboy, bro. Cowboy. I don't think this was a good entry. Let me show you why. This is really important. You identify that channel, right? So you know you're trending up. Now you're trying to just trade based on that. But if you look at price action, if you look at this candle, look at those smaller body candle, right? So that means that the move to the downside is fading out, so you got to be very careful here. Very, very careful. I'm not saying it's not, it cannot work. It can work, but I think it's very risky. I think it's very risky. Especially that, I mean, GJ is just trending up, right? So this is a counter trend trade. You got to be very careful with that, guys. There's too many people giving away their money to the market trying to do counter trend trade. Hopefully, if you do this, you have a lot of experience and you experience those counter trend trade before. Yeah, volume is back in the market. Says SS. True. Yeah, this pretty nice volume now. Okay. The YouTube transmission is good. Great greetings from Mexico. Oh, Mexico. Welcome, welcome. Bienvenue. Want you to take buys after this bullish engulfing candle close on GJ. No, the problem is I have this zone right here. So if I take a buy here, it just doesn't make sense, right? I'm right at resistance. So there's too much chance that we're gonna reverse or reject this zone. Thanks for the overnight win, man. Follow your thoughts and day prior. Oh, sweet. So Mike probably watched the Forex talk over a beer yesterday and grabbed that move. Let's see. So what happened here? All right, so partial target. So previous side. GJ 30-minute price came down. Oh, you took this entry. Awesome. So if you go to the beginning of the stream today, I talked about the trade idea that I sent. Not that I sent, but I talked about yesterday night at Forex Talk over beer. So I was saying that price probably come down in this area, form support, and push back up, and that's exactly what happened. And who was that? This is Mike Mike. Yeah, Mike Daniels. Took that trade idea. So pretty nice, man. Pretty nice. That's a pretty good win here. Good job. Lots of news today's. Yeah, chance GBP pair could slow down and wait for news. Yeah. The best thing sometimes is just wait for the news to happen, see how markets react, and after that, Um, but I'm not gonna be trading the news. It's way too crazy. If you have a second account, I guess. If you have a second account with, small amount of money in there, I think it's something that you can do, right? All right, so 145 people, 75 likes. Let's get to 100, guys. Let's get to 100 likes. Come on. Um, right. Come on, guys. 86. Let's get to 100. 14 more. 14 more. 150, 150 people. Come on, let's do it. If GJ doesn't retrace now and go on to make a new high, would you still consider going long at 152, 100 if it does come down later? Yes. Yes, probably gonna come down later. Or maybe if we have a nice break and retest of this zone, but this is the week. Oops. So this black line is, where's my, so this is the wick fill and weekly resistance here at 152, 800, right? Um, Samuel, my GJ trade from this morning. Take a look. Right, previous resistance target. This is GJ 15 minutes. Okay. The profits here. First position. Where we go? The entry was right here. When was that? High time frame bullish. When was that? 15 minutes? Oh, so I guess that was right here. Oh, that was London Open. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Take a look again. So break this high. So you took this impulse entry on the London Open, yes, because there's volume in the market.
That's not
So
London Open.
yeah,
That's not London,
it's not.
London Open.
Yeah, that's it. That's what I'm
Yeah,
saying. Yeah. So around London Open, right?
that's the Frankfurt Open, not London Open. This
Oh,
was the Frankfurt Open I taken.
oh, okay, okay,
That's
okay.
not London Open.
This one, okay.
It was Frankfurt Open, not London. This maybe
What time was that? What? Hold
6
on.
p.m.
It was this one right here, no?
Ah,
Trying to find out the time. Yeah, this one. Oh yeah, this one.
okay, let me see.
Right here. So that was like 2:15 a.m. Yeah, if you look on your chart around like between 2 to 3 a.m., there's always volume, right? You see those big candles. So that makes sense to take an impulse at this time. So impulse works great when market is trending and when there's volume in the market, right? Donc, c'est important de comprendre une chose. C'est là, si vous prenez une entrée impulsive, c'est important de le prendre lorsqu'il y a du volume dans le marché et lorsque le marché a une bonne tendance, soit à la hausse ou à la baisse. Ah, Mr. Miller, ben oui, les boys. Yes, sir, Miller. Um, Shane securing some GJ trade here, so that's good. O Capital Group, M15 closed so high on GJ. Wise, but it's such nice price action. Yeah, very nice price action, but way too high, you know. So not there's nothing we can do right now. Non, c'est ça. Christopher, d'après moi, Miller, d'après moi, il est dans un sell.
Oh, j'ai vu, quand que Thomas, c'est comment, mais on a un bel way down en disant que le stock, c'est hors 16 pips. Ouais. Et un way down, je prendrais le retreat. Ouais, ça, c'est. Ouais, ça, j'étais dedans, je suis comme fuck, ça, j'ai pris en dessous des.
Non, non, c'était trop. C'est parce que, qu'est-ce qui est arrivé, c'est que les dernières fois que j'ai pris une entrée avant le retracement au complet, je me suis fait fourrer. Fait que la dernière fois, j'ai pris des entrées sur des bails comme ça avant d'aller dans le Golden Zone, puis finalement, il a retracé puis il est allé dans le Golden Zone. Fait que j'ai été un peu plus patient. J'avais pris une petite entrée sur GA, par exemple, tantôt, que j'ai closé à -5.
Hey,
So looking at G now, looks like we are getting a new high here. Let's see, are we gonna reject now this previous zone? Got this major QP here on top is being respected like here so many times, and it got rejected and came down. So are we gonna do the same thing here? Donc la dernière fois qu'on a rejeté tout ce majeur QP là, pourquoi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chandelles en ligne? Est-ce qu'on va avoir la même chose ici? Parce que pour briser ce QP majeur là, ça va prendre énormément de volume. Oh, missing one like, guys. Come on. Smash that like button, guys. We have 180 people and we got 99 likes. There's a song, right? 99 problems and there's a song about that.
JC, 99 problems?
Yeah, here we go. It was the same thing. Hey. I decide. I'm joking. Oh man. Whew. I felt like we just hit the news because we had a huge spike on likes. We are trending up on likes. It went from 99 likes to 128, man. That's what I'm talking about. Well, that's what I'm talking about. Keep them coming.
That was the 100.
Oh, nice. 132. Let's go. 150 incoming. Let's hit the major QP on YouTube. Let's hit 150 QP on the likes. Do it. Albert, can I have a question? Yes, you can ask your question. Free London. What is the golden zone? The golden zone is a fib rejection zone between the 50 and the 618. Hey guys, anyone know about Raja? Will he not stream today? Yeah, he should stream. Yeah, he should. He should stream. Yeah, what? Yeah, he should stream. I know that yesterday you got kind of attacked DDoS, the DOS attack, or dude, I don't know those things, you know. I'm not technical. So yeah, during FOMC you got the DDoS attack, I think, or something like that. So I don't know, maybe his system is not ready yet. I have no clue, but I think he said that everything was fixed. So maybe just send him a message. But yeah, I don't know, but it should. Um, your thoughts on NZD CAD here? All right, let's take a look at NZD CAD. NZD CAD. It's not a pair I looked a lot. It's gonna be one of the first time actually, I think, that I take a look at NZD CAD. Well, let's remove this smash button here. Man, we're doing good right now. We got 137 likes. We're missing 13 likes to hit the major QP on the likes. All right, let's take a look at this trade here. All right, so NZD CAD looks like it's trending right very, but need to see more information here. This is the 4-hour time frame. Daily support, bouncing off daily support, getting in as it wicks. Oh, okay, so you got it on a retracement.
2 hour time frame.
It's what? Sorry?
2 hour time frame. 120.
Oh, 120, you're right. Wow, 2-hour time frame. I never tried that. Yeah, I don't know about that trade, man. I know you're hitting that daily support, but it all depends. Let's go take a look at NZD CAD if this trend is mostly bullish or bearish. Just curious. Never really look at NZD CAD.
It is just pretty high.
Woo! Holy! Okay, it's mostly trending up, but now it's been well, so I guess you went under this. What's going on? Okay. So here, yeah, I think if you have a nice resistance, yeah, it makes sense to sell here. Yeah, definitely. But I think you're a little late in that move though. Because looking at it now, I mean, if you do, is this swing? Looking at 1 hour. Yeah, because you got also this, double top here. You can sell under this line. Yeah, so you got this break, retest. I think if you form resistance right around this line, I think that makes sense. And you got some clean traffic to the left side. Yeah, that would be my play. I would wait for this break and retest of this support. And yeah, that would make sense. Which probably also close to, it's here, 89, 600, 750 is right here. Where's 500? Yeah, you got some room. Yeah, that would be my play. I would wait for that resistance here, that break and retest. The thing is, with this candle, it broke the low first and came back up. So yeah, you want the opposite. You want this top wick to form and break the low after. Anyways, so yeah, that's my thought. But again, I don't really trade NZD CAD, but just from what I see right now. Albert, est-ce que je vais danser? Woo! Woo! I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna dance. Let's put this disc Up. Need to wake up. All right.
Sasha,
Yes.
in general, your market structure broke. We are not in a particular time or volume time. Really wait for it, right?
Correct. Yeah. All right. Sorry, guys. Hey Sasha, you forgot to check my chart. Oh, Christopher, send it again. Sorry, man. Oh, you sent it again. Okay, it's over here. Yeah, this can happen. There's many message here. Oh yeah, you sent it. I was looking at it and I switched to something else. Hey, sorry, man. It's me. GJ. All right. So GJ 30-minute daily high came down. Resistance now turned into support. I hesitated to enter the trade because I wanted to see a wick first before entering a buy. Oh, this is what also Phil and Mark had an idea to come in that trade. It was also a possibility I was looking at, but I think the last couple of time I enter a buy before the full retracement, it kind of played against me a little bit, so that's why I was a little bit more patient today. Um, but I will not be looking at sells, to be honest. I mean, TJ is just straight bullish, so pretty nice rejection here to the to this resistance. So for people trying to attempt that buy, it was risky because I mean, it's how many pips you have? It's like not even not even 10 pips before this resistance, so it can reverse at any time. So if you have only this range, I mean, you cannot aim for more than probably like 6 7 pips, right? So you gotta keep that in mind. Let's see, let's see. All right, we got that 150 likes. Woo! Next level, 200. Let's level up. 200. Man, if we had more women on the chat on the YouTube, I'll be saying like every level I take out a piece of cloth, right? No, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, it's me being retard. Gold trade. Yeah, we didn't take a look at. Take a look. This is gold 15-minute. Stop loss at 5-minute open. Do you think I'm being very greedy? Holy. Well, I don't know, but if it was me trading gold, man, I would be securing profits, making sure my stops at break even. Because I mean, yeah, this thing can move pretty fast. It can move like either for you or against you pretty quickly on gold. So yeah, I think that can be a very nice final target, but I will definitely secure some profits. Definitely secure some profits because this, if you look to the left, yes, you got clean traffic here, but look here, this is an area of problem. So just keep that in mind. Yeah, and as you see, you're coming in that box right there, right? So if it was me, I would definitely secure some profits and making sure my stop is at break even. So that was the question, if I'm greedy. So the answer is if you didn't secure profit, yes, it's greedy. There's a weird, very weird noise outside right now. Oh well. It was like, what the hell is that? But yeah, you know what? Let's take a look at what's up with gold. Boom, boom, boom. Il y a du feu.
Here we go. Roger the song.
Boom, boom. Where is my... Okay. Yeah, you want to make sure you break this minor, let the minor support here for gold, but I think if you can form a little resistance under here, you can continue that move down. But it might retrace up at this stage, you know. So yeah, if it was me, yeah. So coming back to your trade, yeah, I would definitely secure profits here. As you see, lower candle, a smaller body candle, price starting to reject this area, so definitely securing some profit. All right, let's move on. All right, so next level is coming up in 33 likes. We're gonna hit 200. Let's do it.
Tu sais, JJ a fait un retweet live dans les 20 minutes. Tu sais, tu veux vraiment rentrer avec un petit retweet alors que.
No, no, no. Oh no. No, so right now, I mean, there's nothing here on GJ. GA. Yeah, I did an attempt on GA. I closed at minus 5 pips. So yeah. It was based on H1. So this was a really, really nice H1 candle. I had a nice rejection to the safety net on that fib, closing under this QP. This one, so I kind of took an entry on the next candle. Even if the body was small, I kind of a doji candle for me. It was a write-off candle, right? And 30-minute ad close like this one, engulfing bearish. So for me, kind of made sense, but you know, it was a little too early. This minor support, I was wondering about this minor support, and yeah, it is what it is. Soda?
Pas bouger? Oui, puis vous?
Oh, look at this guy.
Ooh.
Live chart.
But it's
La
not there.
prochaine affaire que je me demande, là, dans les live charts, ça mettons, là, t'envoies le lien de la chart en live, puis ajoute des.
C'est ça que je me demande, moi, avec.
Parce que j'ai fait des dessins justement drôles pour ça que j'ai envoyé, mais tu vois pas les dessins. So, I don't know.
C'est juste moi qui fais des dessins ici.
Ouais, c'est ça. Fait que là, je regarde quoi, là? Je regarde, il y a plein de vagues.
Nothing. But
Okay.
that's what I'm saying. In the chart I sent you, pas de vague à rien. Genre, tout est beau, là.
Je te confirme, c'est vraiment laid. Alright. So look at GA, man. This thing, holy. Going in that H4 H4 golden zone. So that will be great. Be great actually. Yeah, GJ is at resistance right now. But news is coming in. Oh, almost to 175. Alright, let's do a last push on those like. Smash those like button. Hey, what's up, Le Jimmy? Let's take a look here. Sometimes. Oh, sometimes you place your fib on the wick. Sometimes you place on the body. How do you make your decision? Well, it's basically based on the last swing high and swing low. So on that 30-minute, it's mostly based on the time frame that I will enter, right? So if I do it on the 30-minute, because I'm looking at entering on the 30 minutes, right? So let's say I do this fib, it's going to be to the last, from the beginning of the push to the end of the push, right? So like here, this push, this push right here, the end, right? So right here. Sorry, this one here, because we didn't have here. It's not a break of structure, right? So this is not a break of structure. So the first push is right here to the end of the push. So yes, this one is the body.
That's a nice.
On reach target. What's up, Jimmy? Bon matin.
What's up?
Qu'est-ce que t'as dit?
Catch le GU Pie. Peut-être c'est quoi, il y a
Ouais.
Non, mais. Ok, pas live.
GU trade again. Want to take a look? It was from 15 minutes. Secure 10 pips. Stops at BE. Right.
Nice.
Perfect, man.
C'est les entraînements, je trouve ça cowboy.
Ah,
Tu rentres à moitié de la chandelle.
Yeah, I think this was a little cowboy here, Ryan. Because I mean, you got this resistance right there, right? So it can be a little tricky. Yeah, what's up with that challenge, bro? Gotta slap those fingers. We gotta slap those fingers, bro.
Gotta change your mind about G. So I gotta keep money somewhere.
yes.
That's good. That's good.
Not gonna talk.
Jimmy also. Jimmy is on my case for that also. Yeah. But nice, man. Make sure you put your stop at break even, right? This is good. So I mean, okay, let's see here. Any question? Sometimes, oh no, we read that. Oh, we got Claudia waiting for me to every time we level up, taking out some clothes. Damn. No, ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen. How long you been trading, my man? Yeah, 2 months. No, I'm joking. Start to be interested in 2018. Anyways, did a lot of courses, back this thing, demo account, and I started my live account. It was like a year and a half ago, I think, around there. Can I ask why your golden zone is between 5 and 6.8, not between 6.8 and 7.6? I don't know 7.6. 7.6 is for me the safety zone. I guess it depends on your strategy, right? Would you take a buy if GG closed bullish? No. No, because I mean I'm gonna be right at the top. So why you don't want to buy a top, right? So you want to make sure you wait for a retracement down, support form, and push back up, or break and retest. But right now we were right at resistance. So even if closed bullish, I mean I'm right at resistance, right at the QP 500 QP right there. So yeah. So no, I need some better confirmation. I make profit, but I lose it because I up on trade. I up on trade that are about to turn and then it go a little but up and goes all the way down after. I come out the trade. How can I stop myself from losing profit? It's easy. Just stop. You know. So when you're having a trade, you want to trade. Just close your MT4, right? Close your MT4 next to the move. Move to the next day. Yeah. What's my bias on gold? To be honest, I don't have any bias on gold right now. I don't have any bias.
C'est une belle formation, je suis en point C.
But there's a very nice shampoo pattern. But except that, not much. I'm not looking at anything on gold right now. I think it's in a tricky situation right here.
Give up gold,
Like kind of in this range right now, just we need to get out either up or down. I think if we can get a break and retest here, it's gonna make sense for buys. And again, break and retest to the downside makes sense for sells, but here, not interested. And anyways, I don't trade gold. Comment? Si moi je l'ai fait? Non, j'ai pas regardé, j'étais sur la route hier. J'étais vraiment excité d'ailleurs. J'étais tellement excité, c'est la première fois que je reprenais la route. J'allais voir des clients, mon gars, j'étais fou comme la merde.
La sortie du mois.
Dude, je capotais. Yesterday was the first time I actually took the road back. I went to see customers. Dude, I was so excited, man. Had like 10 months of energy in those stores. They were not ready for me, man. They were just not ready. Let me tell you, man. It was fun. Man, I missed this shit. Make pro. Okay, we read that. What do you think? Oh, what?
We have the platform. So golfing short, but I wouldn't hold long term.
No, especially in this case. I mean, don't forget the neckline is right here, right? So if you take it here, this is the aggressive one, but your neckline is pretty close. So short on the double top confirmation is gonna be under the neckline, right? So no, but I will not. To be honest, no, not for me. Especially not in a bullish. Like it's look at how well it's trending. You know, it's just trending super well. Look at this. So price came up, came down. It's trending super well lately, GJ. So except for this one here right now, this is the fake out that we all got trapped into it. That was I think Tuesday or Monday. But except that, look at this, man. It's going pretty well, trending very nice. Now we need to go like this and you know.
Double tap at the new high, fall down. So,
Yeah.
double tap. And trois de suite double top.
Oh, and those double tops, bam, double tops, bam, you know. So you see here, boom, 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 and boom, right? So that's one. There's another one here. So, and now we're looking maybe at one. So that can be an option, but I don't know.
Si tu reviens un petit peu en arrière, ouais, faut pas se faire trap dans quelque chose comme ça ici.
Oops, excuse. Ouais, non, c'est ça, exact.
Support 4, wait for this.
Well, that's why you want this confirmation, right? So here's this double top, the neckline's right here. So look how beautiful, look at how beautiful it is. It's just like, look, so we got this, 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 and you have this neckline right here. And if you zoom, perfect. You got the break, retest, boom, and you take the entry on the break of the low, right? So
Perfect.
yeah, so that's why you want to wait for the confirmation on that double top, because if you take it here, like let's say like here was, what was the example you saw, Jimmy? C'était où l'exemple que tu as vu? Oh, here, right here. So look at this one. This one also, like if you see, we got this double top, right? But no confirmation of the break of this neckline. So price came down. So if you took it on this, bearish candle, you got screwed up because price came up. So that's why you want to make this is more aggressive, right? Taking it here, but if you take in the break of the neckline, that's where you get the confirmation.
And this is New York Open.
Yeah. So, but yeah, this setup here was perfect. You know, this one was good. When was that? Yeah, that was at like a 5, 6. Wow, how come we didn't got that? Oh, I think we got that. That was, hold on, wait a second. What was that? On the 12th? Oh, I need to go back on my journal. Yeah, so now I'm just waiting. And again, if we break this neckline, I mean, right in that, you know, in that golden zone.
Actually, the reason you didn't that buy there, golden zone.
Two reasons. Like here on the opening of this candle, yeah, there's two reasons. Number one reason, it was like only 10 pip range, you know. So for me, it was too tight, you know, because if I have a 10 pip range, I need to aim probably for 6-7 pips profit, right? Because it can reverse anytime before that range. Because people sometimes they don't get that, but zones are areas, you know, so they're not specific zone. So it can reverse a couple pips around that zone. So that's why we're saying like when you have a tight range, it can be difficult, you know, and it can reverse at any time. So that was reason number one was I had not enough room. And reason number two is the last couple trade I took before the full retracement, it actually plays against me. So I was like, nah, you know what? Let's just wait. And I did an attempt earlier on GA, but I closed at -5 pips. So yeah. Yeah, the stop loss was pretty big, but I think you can put it on the you can put it under, it was not that bad actually, I think. It was like, yeah, it was a 17 pips. Yes. It's pretty big for the gain you can make, right? Yep.
You are waiting for that golden or any?
No, I will wait. Especially that after this, I mean, you got this zone right here. Hold on, wait a second. What is this zone?
For example,
Give me 1 sec. I just want to verify something. Oh yeah, this is the H4 resistance right there.
For that GJ trade, I did take it on the buy, but then as price retraced back down towards my break, I got to 950. My break might take profit.
That's the one you sent earlier?
No, this is the GJ trade that I just buy on the golfing.
You took it?
I did, but then I closed at break even, and it went back up, and then ended up.
Oh.
That means break even.
But actually, you took it on the opening of this candle, right?
Hit on the retrace, so down at the bottom of that wick.
Okay. And where did you close? Oh, on the 15-minute, I guess?
No, I closed, got up to 950.
Yeah.
After break. Back up.
Yeah. The thing I think you need to journal is next time you see price going in profit and tapping into previous resistance, you need to secure some profits.
1 for 8.
Yeah.
Close.
Yeah, definitely. That's something even I'm still like that. When I place my tight profits somewhere partial, I really want to hit it, right? It's kind of a victory, but I'm trying to switch my mindset to close it manually and to be happy with that win. Because especially if you're tapping into a previous resistance, a previous support, it's just we know, but it's like a game, right? We really wanted to tap our TP, but when it's tapping that resistance, close some partials, right? Because it's gonna reverse. Oh, it might reverse. No. Let's see here. I'm late on the chat here. Hey, Sasha, good buddy. Oh, that's Rages. What's up? Okay, so we took a look at this. If this 30-minute candle closed bearish, but H1 bullish, is it possible for the 30-minute to booby trap? Oh, yes, it's possible. Good day, familia. Hey, Ashley. Thank you. Thank you. Do you have any open trades? No, no trades. No open trades. Sometimes you're placing. Okay, we answered that. Answer that. What do you think on a buy on AUD USD? Little Lion, if you send me your chart, I'll take a look at it. Sorry. Good morning. Any more trades? Not so far. Basically waiting for news. How can I build my account from $80? Lots of patience. Lots of patience, and you'll get it. The best tip is don't look at the dollar value, look at the percentage. What do you think on GJ 15-minute closing bearish for sells? I don't know. I'm not looking at 15 minutes, but we can sneak peek into it. Yeah, that's cute. It's cute. It's smaller body candle. So maybe if we break this low, price can come down a little bit. But for me, price is in a bullish mode, so I'm looking for buys mainly. I'm not willing to counter trend trade, specifically before news. Like, I don't know. I don't know. Sorry. What do you mean by safety zone? Safety zone is the 764 level on the fib. So I call that my safety zone. My safety net. Yeah.
C'est comment tu constitues pour ton stop? C'est genre, si ça dépasse ça, ça veut dire que ça
à l'époque, je mettais mon stop entre le 764 puis le 0. dans le fond.
Ok, ouais.
Parce que je sais que s'il dépasse le 7-6-4, il y a des grosses chances qu'ils s'en vont dans l'autre direction, de toute façon. Faut que je m'attende à perdre. Fait que c'est pour ça que c'est ça. Mais s'il respecte ça, généralement, il y a des grosses chances qu'il repousse vers le haut.
Si ça bounce dans la Golden Zone, mais que ça wick down jusqu'au.
C'est ça, exact. Ouais. Pour ça que je l'appelle le safety net. C'est pour ça, tu sais, en trampoline, il y a tout le temps un safety net, puis ça bounce comme ça. Même concept.
Si t'as une grande qui close juste un peu en bas, tu considères dessus. Même si ça revient, ça read.
S'il close en bas du 7-6-4?
Ouais, en bas ou en haut.
Ouais, ben s'il close en bas de 7-6-4 puis il continue, hein, c'est sûr que non. Tu comprends? C'est comme...
Non,
Mais des fois, ça va arriver qu'il va former, il va fermer en bas de 7-6-4, mais après ça, il va former support en haut, comme le trade
c'est
d'hier.
ça. Genre,
Le
de
trade
point
d'hier,
blank,
c'était
ça
ça.
revient tout de suite, là.
Ouais, le trade d'hier, c'était ça. Ouais. Can you check my chart? Yesterday NYSC? Yes, sure. Send it. Send it, Armin. You need, guys, when you send a chart, you need to press on your camera and on trading view and you go to the end, you select the \X to the end. I mean, what option safety net provides? It just tells me that if it breaks the safety net, basically trade is invalid, right? So it's for indication. But if it holds, that means I can still hope that that trade is gonna work. Boom, boom, boom. All right, what time is it now? 7:20. 7:20. I didn't say 4:20. I said 7:20. Yeah, it looked like nothing's gonna change, so that's probably gonna be some good news here for the pound. Right, Phil Miller, Mr. Bloomberg.
What's up? You want me to open my Bloomberg?
Come on, dude. Flex it. Flex that Bloomberg. Stop flexing your girlfriend. Flex your Bloomberg.
Where's Guillaume? I need Guillaume.
Yeah. Where's Guillaume, then? Guillaume's still sleeping, man. What's up with that?
Donc, sa maman n'est pas là aujourd'hui, fait qu'il est encore en train de faire la vaisselle d'hiver.
Ouais, non, c'est ça. Non, il est comme, ah, shit, man, ma blonde n'est pas là, faut que je me fasse à déjeuner, man, c'est plus long.
Ouais.
Là, check ça, il nous écoute sur YouTube, il est comme, ah, des calices.
Si vous avez regardé, on a eu comme un close en haut du Q. On close en haut des 1100, en des 79.
Ouais, ouais.
Ouais.
Yeah,
En haut des QB.
so GA, yeah, GA is coming back up. Look like might correct this move, but we got this H4 golden zone right there. So if you look, the golden zone here, and last time that price went down here, this is Ibrahim that spotted that. Usually I look at those things and I don't know, I missed that one. So Ibrahim got my back and told me, hey Sasha, you might want to look left because you see this support last time that support was formed around this level, this QP. Price just went straight up to this major QP right there. So maybe we're gonna be looking at the same thing, but we gotta keep in mind also this is H4 golden zone, right? The price might retrace over there. So yeah, that can be a good opportunity here on GA if we have a break and retest here on that QP level. I can aim to target this golden zone and leave runner for maybe, you know, this correction of this move. Yeah, because this move down was FOMC yesterday, right? So it might be very possible that we correct this move. So let's wait and see. But if we have a nice, got a break and retest here, that can be a good thing, and can have a move to this golden zone. We have like a 30-ish pip range to go to the golden zone. Close some partials and leave some runners. Maybe we're gonna correct this move, right? But if resistance is formed in the golden zone, I'm gonna be closing my runners, you know, if I'm in that trade, you know. Yeah, that's something to keep an eye on. Yeah, GA might be more interesting. GA definitely looking more interesting than GJ right now, because GJ right now is like at the top at the resistance. We have a H4 resistance just above. We got this weekly resistance right here and this wick fill also. So yeah, but we got news, right? So we might destroy all this with that news.
Vraiment attention pour les parce que à gauche, c'est la dernière accumulation avant le break.
Mm-hmm.
De gauche, là, on avait
Sur lequel tu m'as dit, excuse?
on a fait en 4 heures.
En 4 heures.
Ouais.
Là?
En haut.
Là?
Ouais. On a eu une grosse résistance. On a eu le
ouais.
Juste.
Ouais.
Puis l'opération qu'il y a eu ici en 30 minutes, c'est venu sur.
Oh, ouais. C'est fou comment, if you look left, you see price came down and reverse, price came down and reverse at same level. So G tends to do that a lot. Yeah, QP for a win. Man, I'm pretty happy that Ibrahim saw that, you know. Because I always talked about that, right? So I take a lot of moves based on that, like based on I look left, I see support forming in the same area. So that makes totally sense. Look this right here. Boom, boom. So yeah, next week I'm gonna try something different also. Next week I'm gonna grab some small entry based on H4, and I'm gonna attempt some stuff.
Bon, tu vas prendre un point 5.
Ben, c'est pas si pire, là, sur un... Il y a combien de stop loss là-dessus? C'est, mettons un 50 pips de stop loss. Fait que... un 0. Ouais, ouais. Un 0.5, ça ferait du sens. Il est en train de faire les maths, il fait comme... Ah, là, c'est épais, ce style-là. George, how many lots should I use on gold with 1K account? Hey, George. Okay, so this is not to be harsh. This is not to be how can I say that? Anyways, I want to be polite, but if you're trading gold and you don't know what lot size to use trading gold on a 1K account, you should not trade gold, you know? So this is the first thing, you know, it's just like, I mean, you need to go on babypips.com and they will show you on how to calculate lot size, you know? So that's really important. So if you're starting to trade, you need to go on babypips.com, and everyone started from there, to be honest. I mean, like most of the traders actually started there. I started there. I know Raja started there. I mean, there's tons of traders started there. So you go through a couple chapters. Personally, even in my course, in my intro video, I actually say, people, if you didn't read babypips.com, the first 2 chapter. Stop the course right now. Go on Baby Pips and go read it. Because I'm not gonna explain some basic stuff that you can find for free on the web, right? So it doesn't make sense to make people pay for free stuff. So that's why I didn't spend time explaining those basic stuff. But this, you need to go on babypips.com, get yourself educated, and after that, look into maybe investing in yourself, right? Find someone that can help you growing in this industry. How can I build my account? Okay, I think I answered that. Got it. Can you check my chart? Armin. Okay, Armin here. Oh, invalid chart link. So Armin, it's not working. Rages, gold is in a sexy situation. Yeah, we talked about that yesterday because people were saying, man, can you say we are in a delicate situation? I was like, I cannot say that. This is Raj's word, right? I cannot copy Raja, right? So I was like, but I can say a funky situation. And Clay came up with a sexy situation, so I kind of like that. So I was like, oh, all right, we are in a sexy situation. Or it can be in a dirty situation. But yeah, this definitely looked like a sexy. Yeah, so we're breaking down here. So for this, let's take a look here at the 5 minute. Yeah, here, right on the break of this low here, on this new 5 minute, I think that makes sense. So right here, let's paper trade that. Let's paper trade that. I will put my stop above this zone, a little bit above. Target this right there, kind of. Let's see if that plays out. This is just a paper trade idea. I don't trade gold, so I want to see if this plays out. Whoa, Lee! Have you seen that spike? What is going on? Hold on, wait a second. Is that news on USD?
Non. Oh, c'est juste comment gold bouge normalement.
It went like swam. You see, man? That's why I don't trade gold. This shit is insane fast. I can, yeah. Ted actually just pressed the button. Ah, c'est clair, là. That's insane, man. That's why I don't trade gold.
You check my chart, I think I can chat.
No, I don't. Okay, I'll do.
I made sure.
I'm actually working out with.
Actually,
Yeah, it's moving. It's live chart.
yeah.
Woohoo!
Ouais, ça bouge certain. C'est juste il suit, on enlève, je t'en remets.
Okay.
All right. So here, this is Mr. Miller. We got what's it? I don't know about this drawing, this circle and this kind of shape here. I'm like, I don't know. That looks like, not gonna say it, but what are you trying to show us here, Mr. Miller? Oh, double top. Okay, perfect. Just want to make sure we're talking about the same thing here. Oh, that's funny. All right, so yes, double bottom, yes. Break pretest, boom. Sell double bottom. Yeah, that would totally make sense for short counter trend. Counter trade. Holy counter trend trade. Every time I say that word, I have to concentrate, right? So say that say that very quick, like 5 times in a row. And if you miss, you drink a shot. That can become a game. You know, when once this pandemic is done and we can get a get together, we'll invite every dogs that can come over here. We'll do a party, and we'll say that counter trend trade very quick, 5 times in a row. If you cannot get it, you drink a shot. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. So yeah, no, I mean it makes sense. Makes sense, Phil. Two good plans. Um, don't click wrongly, else it take your money. Oh. What's the name of that thing that counts pips on MT5? It's called a pip counter. It's an indicator on MT4. I don't have it for MT5. Or you can have Magic Key and it comes with it. Bro, I can't send link for some reason. Can you use yesterday when price made a high, London's created a support, it took longer. Well, the thing is if you want to send a link, you need to send this. You press on the camera and you select the \X to the end, you copy and you paste it. Oh, look who's back. Guess who's back? Back again. The electricity dude that throws thunders. Hey, it's Pikachu. Pika, Pika, Pika.
I thought it was Guillaume. Guillaume.
Yeah. Sasha, I see that gold moves 100 of pips in seconds. Can 1K account trade gold? Any account can trade gold, but you need experience on gold, right? So you need to make sure. Yeah, it's just like, especially if you don't know the lot size to use, that indicate me that you should not be trading gold, right? This is the number one thing. And look at GJ coming straight down, baby. Holy. Woo! So anyone got that counter trend trade? Make sure to secure some profits. So we're getting that retest here. Let's see. Yeah, that was wow, man. You're right, Sasha. Thanks. Yeah, I mean, should focus on something. If you get started, especially if you get started, focus on pair that maybe move a little slowly. Yeah, because lately I don't know why there's a kind of thing that's saying to be a cool trader, you gotta trade gold. I was like, fuck this shit. So I'm not cool. I don't want to be cool. Just like, yeah. I like GG and GA, and I'm good. Maybe one day.
It's move right before the new one.
Yeah, maybe they're pricing in the news. Oh, I guess full TP hit here on that gold move that we just called 2 minutes ago. So yeah, pretty nice. 32 pips win on gold. So hopefully for someone who was looking for trade on gold, hopefully you got that when I said if we break this low in this 5 minute, boom. And yeah, so now stops at break even. And let your runner do the rest. So yeah, pretty good. For a guy that doesn't trade gold, not bad. I mean, price action is price action, right? So it just moves faster and differently, But price action still is price action. Yeah, that was good. So MG says, yes, I'm good on pairs that moves a little bit slow like EA. Yesterday I made $2 on my account. Yeah, that's perfect, man. That's perfect. $2 on 1K account, man. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And look at it percentage wise, you know. Is like GA but moves more slow. I feel more comfortable putting my stop. Exactly. So why focusing on something that goes crazy? You gotta trade something that suits your personality, right? And as you're getting more experience, maybe you want to move to something that moves a little faster. It's up to you, you know. Um, Personally, I like GJ and GA because I like to be in and out. And it's been like more than a year I'm trading GJ, so I'm getting really comfortable at it. So maybe gold is gonna be the next challenge for me. I don't know. Right now I'm still, you know, paper trading it, but you know I'm not. I don't need to trade gold as we speak. You know, so is that the same chart here? Yeah, that's filled charts, right? We saw that. Um,
Right. Well done.
on your chart, look at this guy. Um, oh, 2%. You said $2, but you want to say 2%? 2% is amazing, man. EA, isn't it? Yeah, okay. I took that GJ short on the double top rejection. Here we go. I knew we had some. Okay. When you take it on the beginning of the double top, you need to make sure, because this is a more aggressive entry, right? The safer entry on the double top is after this neckline. But yeah, it played out pretty well. But now you see it's rejecting this QP. So when price come down to this QP, you need to make sure you put your stuff at break even or secure some profits. All right, Terry Martin is about to get kicked here. So I don't know why you're spamming the chart with your name and saying balls. Okay, so let's do.
Hey, by the way, Paul Cofield was nominated possibly one of the
Really? That's pretty good.
top 10 finalists.
That's pretty good.
Mark.
Mark is gone
There he is.
for breakfast, I guess. Oh, bagel time. Bagel time. Oh boy. Ouh. Ben ouais, man. Huh? That was a nice gold sell. Went to full TP and yeah. C'est ça que je disais pour un gars qui trade pas gold, pas pire. Ouais, c'est ça. You know what? I'm thinking about that. It's like for a guy that doesn't trade gold, and what I'm thinking about is the last couple of trade I called on gold. I think most of them actually went to TP. Yeah, I should journal it maybe. I don't know. Ouais, il y en a un que je m'en rappelle. Ouais. Ouais, on vend du Rise. um, boom, boom, boom. Oh, nice, nice, nice. So we got 15 minutes in this 30-minute candle. So let's see if we can close engulfing above this. I would be very, very interested maybe into a buy here. The only thing is news is coming up, which is kind of pissed me off a little bit. But that should give strength to the pound.
It's minimum 20 bucks.
Yeah.
Moins du cartel.
Yeah. Cooley says you're always standing. Oh no, I was sitting just before. Doesn't your feet hurt? No, because I got this. Ta-da! Amazon Basic. This is a memory carpet. I don't know how they call that, but anti-fatigue carpet on Amazon. Yes. So that's why my feet doesn't hurt. The thing that sucks is my light died. So I guess. No, it's this one here. This. My ring of light. It kind of died. I don't know. Man, snow is melting. I can see my pool. I'm so excited. Yes. T'étais où hier? Toi, t'es même pas venu prendre une bière avec moi? Comment ça?
Le soir à 6h, c'est pas que.
Ah ouais, ouais, ok, ouais, je comprends. T'as des gros plans, des grosses sorties, super au restaurant pis tout, là.
Souvent, j'arrive à la maison.
Ah, ok, ok.
Mais jeudi, vendredi, c'est jeudi, vendredi, au bureau.
Ah, c'est ça qui arrive.
Là, j'ai guéri pas mal. Un mois sans alcool. Ah ouais?
Fait que le gars, il en a pris 24 en ligne.
Non, je n'ai pris 6 puis c'est assez.
C'est assez.
La première à rentrer, boss!
Moi, hier, on a pris une coupe aussi pour on a écouté les recettes pour mon père, man. C'est-tu drôle, pas rien qu'un peu? C'est quoi? Tan, tan. Tan, 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 tan. Okay, so let's play some air gigs. Bow, bow, bow. Oh, Francesco, where are you, man? We need Francesco. Man, Francesco can play some music, man. Is he here? Oh no, he's probably at work. You know what, Francesco? Sunday for the group training, you're gonna do the intro on the Git. That's gonna be amazing, man.
Oh.
That would be awesome. Yeah, so this weekend we'd have a group training. I'm looking at my truck. I forgot to my truck, and I'm wondering if I have a ticket.
Parking ticket?
Yeah, because I moved my truck to move my company truck, and I forgot to put it back in my driveway.
What'd you get? They don't plow it?
Yeah, that's a thing.
Oh, yeah, that's probably good.
Oh well.
remember once, and we
Hey, s'il y a des gens de... So if there's people in the Montreal area that is looking for... here. To clean their cars, because I got this service, you know, they're coming home. So now they're just waiting for good weather. So I think next week they're going to be able to come clean all my cars. And this guy here, R2. Yeah. So if there's anyone in the Montreal area, man, those guy, best service, man. Look at this. I think you're gonna see my old truck somewhere in there. I think is it? No, that's not this. It was a mess. It was a mess in my truck. It was like with like I think that's me with dog hair like this. Oh yeah, that's me. That's my old truck. This shit was a mess.
to I've seen.
Look at this small. Look, have you seen the small screen? At now that my new truck, man, is like, look at the back, man. The back is just, you'll see, man. It's a mess. Look at this door. Oh, like gross it is. This is, c'est toute la bave des chiens, bro. Look at this. Look at this. But you want to see the after, you know? So this is before. Yeah, this shit. Oh man, that was a mess. But I was not proud of that truck. My new truck, I'm really proud of it. So this one, I'm really taking care of it. But look at this. This is gross. And look the after, man. The aftermath. It's just like, look at those doors are super clean. Look at this. Man, these guys spent I think 6 hours. 6 hours cleaning my truck. Tu veux pas savoir. No, man, they did an amazing price for what it was. It's just like it was worth every penny. So anyways, so yeah, they do an amazing job. So they're coming back next week to probably next week, hopefully, if the weather is good. So if anyone in Montreal area, man, contact those guys, man. They do an amazing job. Yeah, G looking good. 9 minutes left. Alright. Yeah. What time is the news? 8:30 or 8? I think I'm gonna try wait a second. It's
With GA is if gold starts rolling not all right.
C'est qui rentre sur GA à 8.
moi je vais l'essayer avec 0. Je vais l'essayer avec 0.25%. I'm actually gonna attempt something here at 0.25%, so a very small risk. But because there's news, right? So I don't want to be crazy about it. But I really think that news is gonna push this price up, and we're gonna correct that move here to the upside. We have this nice candle, but of course, guys, I don't like. I'm actually almost wanted to hide this from you because I don't want anyone to copy that and got wicked down because it might happen. You know, it's news, right? So you can wick down for like 20, 30, 40 pips slip, you know, it can be an horrible story for someone, you know. So just don't do that. There's news, and yeah. I'm gonna take a very low risk entry. Oh, GJ came down pretty nicely and now is trying to form support here.
Ouais, c'est quand même nice. Mais ça, tu peux aller au Wickfield dans nos prochains quarter point.
Yep.
Formation shampoing.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, fuck, je suis en train.
Yeah, we got the inverted shampoo pattern. So we got the upside down shampoo bottle, which is also the neckline right here. So.
Ah, on close en haut du neck.
Ouais.
Ici.
Yep.
Thing is, it's at the same time as the new.
Yeah, I know. Kind of crazy, right?
Spread went wide.
Yeah, spread's gonna be wild.
The 18 pip stop is gonna be like 30.
Yeah, I'm putting like a 30 pip stop loss. I'm actually gonna probably
Imagine,
Pop a dog.
il faut juste.
that's it come.
It'll probably go up
Ouais.
if it's unchanged.
Ouais, si l'interest rate il reste inchangé. Ah,
It all here.
Ooh, look at this. Oh,
You know the
on est
no, we didn't break that. Did we break? No, I don't think so. No.
piece off?
No, I'm not in yet. No.
Also big one more.
à 1,79 hard, mon.
Mhm.
Something's crazy happening right now.
Yeah, very strong QP level. So now we're closing. Yeah, now we're closing under. So I mean, this trade idea for me is gonna be invalid.
I just gotta find it with all calm outside the
Oh, look at this. Man, this shit is coming down, but that's good because I think this is gonna come down, and if we form support here, I'm gonna be pretty excited. So
For file. A lot of time. Full shot de l'euro, ça va à la nuit. Not taking
just broke previous. Didn't broke previous yet. Yeah, I'm not doing anything.
It's a trap. It's a trap.
Yeah, no, it's like, yeah, guys, news about to come. We're going down, so everybody's gonna take sells, and this shit's gonna go like, bam. Like, that's such a nice trap. Yeah,
Yeah.
the
It's
nice.
it's a big grab.
All right, so we got 45 seconds. Whew. Spread is still pretty low, 0.7 on GA, which is pretty good.
Okay. Went up a little.
Yeah, now it's starting to move now. It's like 2 pips now. It went from 0.4 to 2 pips like this. 2.5. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. 6 pip. 6 pip stop loss. So 7 pip stop loss. Holy. This thing's about to rocket. Oh shit. Live now. Spread is at, oh my god, spread's like 4 pips. Unchanged, right?
I don't think.
Yeah, nothing, alright. Change. Okay, so unchanged. Technically should be positive, right? So
That's the first. Hungry.
okay, we can go in that golden zone. That'll be perfect. Alright, so nothing exciting. Jesus. Woo, that's pretty nice. You know, on the break of this neckline, you can grab maybe a couple pips. Yeah. Look at this. Boom! It's gonna hit.
J'étais juste pas confortable, puis je l'accepte.
It's gonna hit that major QP and wow, man! I was expecting some crazy stuff and nothing happened. Yeah, so nothing changed. But usually, yeah, you see that? It's rejecting now.
Bye.
Yeah. Ça, c'est un bon moment pour partir juste au bon moment où est-ce que le support va se remettre dans le golden zone. Tu comprends, tu sais? Parfait setup. Parfait setup, tu sais.
Ouais, mais après ça, tu sais, si on forme sport ou ce qu'on fait en ce moment, là,
Ouais.
là, ouais, j'en viens de.
Ouais, mais t'as le NYSC volume qui devrait comme pas avoir trop de problèmes. Wow! Ok, il me l'a mis dans. Putain, toi, je vais te changer de chart juste pour te faire chier.
Bon, sur ces belles paroles, les gars.
Alright, ciao,
Au
bro.
revoir.
Yeah. Oh, Armin, bro, I can't send link for some reason. Can you see yesterday when price met a high at 151,900? Sorry, man, I'm late on this. 151,900. What? Yeah, that was my TP on my my trade right here. Yeah, new high. Yes. London session, and then it created support. It took long, but price never made back to the high. Can you explain why? It took long. Yeah, it actually went back to this high right here. So Armin, right here, right? So basically do this at this golden zone. So we probably took long there, but yeah, it came down right here, formed support, and retest the high. It actually came back, you know. But sometimes price, yeah, you know what? 6 a.m. Yeah, I actually did an attempt on this buy here. Oh yeah, actually I won on that trade. Yes, I took a long right here. So that was my entry from yesterday.
Yeah, I remember that was just
Yeah, that was my entry from yesterday, right there. So the stop was like kind of somewhere around there, and yeah, went to 15, 16 pips profit, 17 pips profit. I closed partials at 15, because I'm getting close to this resistance, right? So we kind of retested this high. If you look at this wick, it retested the high, and now, it's just like coming down. So it's a zone, right, guys? You need to understand it's a zone. So ben, moi, avec, je me suis stoppé de prendre un trade. Ben, moi, c'était une bonne idée, là, parce que finalement, il était de l'autre bord.
Double top.
You know, there's no makes sense. And we knew everybody was.
On swing sur le 4 heures, man. Work break. Puis, high des. On respecte le live, puis tout. Cassé. Je pense que la prochaine fois, je vais genre. Si c'est à 2, je vais mettre à break-even. Mon break-even ou pas, mais là, c'est. Merde,
Encore avant nous.
je suis rentré avant news. C'est ça l'affaire. C'est ça l'affaire, je suis rentré avant news, j'attendais. Puis là, j'ai fait de monter, j'ai genre fait. Ish! Parce que là, je me disais, si on wake down sur GG, on pourrait pas faire la même affaire sur GG. Genre, live. Mais bon. C'est pas grave. C'est pas grave, c'est autre chose à mentionner.
Oh, ouais, that's it.
Pas confortable. Puis si ça avait parti de l'autre bord, je m'en voudrais live que je m'en veux d'avoir été choqué.
Sasha,
Yes.
you are there? Can you see my shadow, please?
Oh, yes.
My day. Finally.
Oh, look at Mike. He took it. This is on 30 minutes, so you take on the break of the low, right?
I see
Woo!
a double top.
Yep.
Section in the H1.
Yep.
And I end when the broke the low of the previous.
Awesome, man. That's good. That's really good. So now everything is closed in profit?
One trade.
That's good, man.
Today I don't.
Perfect. Mike is starting to get the shit. How many pips? 20. Woo!
Yes.
Look at Mike flexing some pips. That's good, Mike, man. Congrats. Good job, good job. Mike had some big balls. Like this. No, that's good, Mike. Well done. Well done. Well done.
m'en rappeler.
Yep.
Shit, ça.
Right. And on the break of this, slow, like where Mike took it, it's also the. Actually, you took it. Mike, did you
Non,
took it on H?
Cranberry.
Where? Oh, on the first one. Oh, yeah. This one was aggressive. Yeah,
Mhm.
this one was aggressive. The other safest one was right here on the break of this low, and the reason why it's the break of the neckline. No. Yes. So this one.
Fourth. Our body still.
Yeah. So I think it was great, Mike. It's great, but you need to understand this is very aggressive. You know, very aggressive. The safest way to do it, it's on the break. But I'm not saying it's not good. You know, it's good. It's good, but the safest way will be like right here, and you still got like what 20 pips. You know, so a little safer. But man, good job. Um,
Also,
yeah. H4 rejection twice. Bang bang. Yep. Yep.
Off that hour and
Yeah.
why it's powerful.
Yeah. Christopher made 15 pips today. Done for today. In GJ, enter when the candle broke the low. Oh, same entry as Mike, I guess. That's good, man. Um, Sasha, how did you handle the issue with missing trades? Um, just to understand that if you miss a trade, the same move's gonna happen again the next day or maybe next week, you know. And when you miss a trade, I'm getting excited about it because I'm gonna be able to journal it and explore and actually study how I'm gonna grab that trade next time. So I think it gets exciting because you get to learn when you miss a trade. So yeah, that's how I see it. So it's good. I prefer to miss a trade than have a losing trade. I don't know about you, but I prefer not taking the trade and not losing. You know? How did you work with trading psychology? Oh, I guess that was to answer the same question, right? Christopher, done for today's session, made 15 pips. All right, so here's the chart that goes with that comment. Let's take a look at it. Oh, valid chart link. Oh, Oh, now it works. Okay. So this is okay. So let's take this GJ daily high. Enter when this candle broke the low because of the volume of the news. For our support, resistance now turned into support. I hesitated to enter the trade because I want to see a wick first before entering buys, waiting to create a... Yeah, that makes sense, man. Yeah, same entry I was talking about. On the break of this low is the safest way to do it, which is the break of the neckline on the double top also. Yeah, makes sense. Good job, man, Christopher. Roman, you're welcome. Look at this. Look at this rejection here. Ooh.
You have to keep 152.
Yeah. Major QP. Major QP right on the dot. Bang. Once again. Yeah. Every morning, man. I still amazed by this. Here, 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 here. Like, look at this, this. I mean, crazy. You know, it closed right, sitting on the dot, closed right on the dot. Just like amazing. Expected this QP right there. Crazy shit. Rejection, rejection. I don't know. Pretty cool. GA making reverse head and shoulders if test. Yes, we talk about that. Yeah, the reversed shampoo bottle. Um, um, Christopher just. Oh, Christopher just took registrate. LOL. Oh, oh well.
Bye, Mike.
Bye, Mike. Take care.
Have a good job. Thank you, everyone.
Oh, Jimmy. Oh, whoops. Oh.
Je vais renvoyer la.
Ouais. C'est juste sûr que tu cliques sur le nuage, hein.
Avant de l'envoyer.
Si tu as changé des affaires.
Bon. En fait, si on fait un genre de calcul, on aurait comme la formation pendant
Un quoi?
l'origine. Hein?
Un quoi?
On fait le calcul en
Ah, le
termes
calcul.
de temps.
Ok,
En
ouais.
termes de temps, genre, on aurait comme l'épaule qui se formerait pendant le on aurait le volume à venir comme faire un up en London. Ouais.
Ouais.
Tout passer ça sur le.
Ouais, ça se peut, mais je vois pas comment pour vrai le yen va être plus fort que le pound.
Non, c'est ça, il n'y a pas de. On est tellement haut longtemps
Ouais.
que ça serait une forme de. On attend sur le long terme,
Ouais.
pour continuer par.
Mais je pense que pour que le yen soit plus fort, là, ça va prendre une guerre mondiale ou ça va prendre.
Ah non, for sure.
C'est.
Sauf que. Graphique sans truc, donc, si je pas faire des corrections.
Ouais, non, ça c'est sûr. Sauf que, tu sais, si tu regardes, mettons, là, je crois on peut descendre à un moment donné, mais je pense pas qu'on va descendre bien, bien bas. Comme ici, regarde, on a une descente un peu plus basse que ces lots-là, puis tout de suite après, bang, right? Et check ça sur le 4 heures, man, c'est effrayant, là.
Voilà.
Ça
Mais
n'a
tant que c'est
aucun
pas
sens.
tombé,
Voilà, c'est ça. Juste c'est important, puis c'est juste important de pas tu sais, de vraiment, de pas trop l'anticiper, tu sais. Mais oui, je comprends ce que tu dis. Ça pourrait faire bien du sens, là.
vous avez remarqué, mais cette semaine,
Ouais, il y a eu des gros moves à London Close, là. Really like how you're patient with the market. You wait for the thing you want to see. That too, especially with higher time frame to happen, then execute it. Yeah, I think it's the safest way to do it, right? It's the safest way to do it, I think, and that's how you can hope, not hope, but you can expect your runners to get more pips. You know, so lately my runners are doing pretty good compared to before. Um, so the thing is, yes, I missed some move, like I missed the sell, right? But I'm looking for something maybe bigger, right? Looking for support form here and retest this new high.
I think it was last week. Was it last week?
Yeah.
So happened. This volume came back down, so that's fine.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I see. Makes sense.
parce que
But I think this QP is gonna hold.
higher time frame, c'est
Yep. Yeah, you're right. So if you see this, this is break, retest, support form, and this is on H4, right? So the first 2 hours. What time is it now? Oh, actually, oh, this candle's about to close. So if this 4 hour close bearish, not gonna be cool. Hey. Oh, G is coming back above. That was a nice little liquidity wick here. I think if GA if this close above this QP, should be good to come back up. GA. Yeah, that would be very nice. What time is it? 8:20. Oh, yeah. Because if this H1 close bullish with nice wick rejection here, that should give fuel to the next candle to push up.
avec le NYSE Open.
Yeah.
On a parlé.
Yeah, GA is very interesting.
Ça. Ok.
This wick came straight down in that golden zone and rejected it.
C'est positif, la news.
Ouais.
Donc,
Mostly unchanged. Not like the Fed in the market. There will be changes to the asset purchases. Proof that the inflation remonte.
donc, le down to go up makes sense. Parce que,
Yeah,
mais il est
yeah.
juste plus slow. Il est juste. C'est pour les grands-pères live, là, attends. Je pensais faire mon cowboy, je fais mettre ma calotte à l'envers, man.
Oh, Clay, what's up? Hawaii. Man, I hope you're gonna send some picture on Instagram. Man, we need some warm weather here. Still have some snow outside, so yeah, so basically now looking for probably buys on GA. If this candle can close above this QP, that would be amazing. With this pretty big wick rejection, that should give a lot of fuel to this to the next candle to move up. Bill sent, oh, is it on Discord? Hey, c'est quand Pâques?
I think the 10th. I never know.
We got 4 minutes. 4 minutes left. Hey Sasha, do you have a Trixie discount code? That's a good question. Do I have that? I know we got one for students, but I think I have one that is public, which is yeah, here. So your friend gets 50% discount for 2 months. So you can use that coupon here. I'm gonna send it to you. Post it here. There we go. Let's see. Let's see. Can you paste that here on the, oh, that done. Yeah, thank you, man. Gonna use it right now. Yeah, Trixie is the best, for me, I think it's the best trading journal out there. Just, it's pretty cool, man. Such a great tool. Man, we went to 183 likes. Pretty good. We're close to 200, man. Do we still have people who didn't like the stream? If we didn't give a like to the stream, please give a like to the stream. Let's get to 200. That would be amazing. Let's get this button. Oh, let's take a look at gold, man. That gold played pretty well here, so it was a pretty good win here. That was based on this 5 minute. So 5 minutes here went straight to full TP. Was aiming this minor support here, and yeah.
Hey, bro. So from next week, are we going to start the London virtual tour?
Yeah. That's what I wrote on Discord. So next week, when I start the trading floor, virtual trading floor for London session. So it's gonna be open, so anyone can jump on. I mean, anyone on the student side can jump on this virtual trading floor, and I'm probably gonna be jumping on like just before going to bed, and to see what's up and give you my ideas. Yeah, it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be interesting. Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
How many guys?
I think we have like, I think we got 4 that trade Londons, 4 or 5. So yeah, I think we got 5 after. Yeah, probably 5. Oh, look at GA. GA is looking amazing. This is amazing. Yeah, so I'm getting ready here.
C'est dope tout, mais il faudrait qu'il y ait un support create
Need to close in 8 seconds above this QP, right? Come on. God damn.
Mon spread est trempé.
Really? Yeah, mine too. What's going on? Is there other news?
Les gros poissons rembarquent parce qu'il y a eu la correction, puis après ça, ils s'en vont vers le haut. Les gros poissons embarquent. Je te dis, man.
Dude, it went to... That's retarded right now.
It went to 5 points.
Like... That is
The
just...
initial jobless claim was more than expected. 107,000 baht, so not positive. Gold's gonna go up a little bit. Gold is moving up, actually. No.
J'ai vu la news.
Yeah, that's not good for GA. Hold on, wait a second. Yeah, but that was before. 8:30. Oh, here. USD. Oh, USD. Yeah, that should be fun. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Thanks. I will take a leave. I had a clean day.
All right, take care, buddy.
Good job, man. Have a good day.
Now, yeah, I have set the MT4 screenshot in testimonial, bro. So yeah, you can put it in the your Instagram, okay?
Yeah, that's good, man. Way to go. Take care. Je comprends pas parce que j'ai pris une entrée. So I don't, man, I took this entry and I clicked on entry and it was like minus 12 pips. So the spread was just, it was like retarded. My stop loss was 20 pips. And yeah, just like, it's just retarded right now. So just I'm paying spread right now. I'm technically in profit, you know? I'm technically higher than where I entered, but I'm still at minus 12, minus 10 pips right now. Yeah, I enter like right here. Like my entry is like 79118. So 118. So right here, yes. My entry is right here. And it says minus 14 pips now. Phil, tu sais que t'es muté, hein? So yeah, so looks like I got fucked. Yeah, I'm gonna say that F word, but I got screwed over. So
Close above.
yeah, I went a little too quick on that trigger. Like at the last second, it kind of closed like right under. So yeah, so that minus 16. Yeah, it's just Yeah, I got screwed on that. I got screwed on that one because technically I'm at break even, but I'm minus 15. That is, I got, dude. I was looking at my spread like for 1 second it was fine, and like a microsecond after it was like just retarded.
Ah, d'après moi, le marché va t'entendre.
Maybe if I cry, maybe if I start crying, is the market's gonna be like,
Moi,
oh
ça
man,
a jamais. Ouais, personne.
I don't know.
Si on te fait tout en gang,
That's crazy, man.
sur 16 pips en partant, boum.
I feel like I'm trading gold now. You know,
Shit.
when you enter trade gold, during the pandemic, it was like minus like 20 pip spread. Just like it was like retarded. Dude, this trade is literally, yeah, that's.
Il s'est pas affiché.
Que je te dis, il était correct. Il était correct 1 seconde. Quand j'ai pesé dessus, c'est là que ça a fait un spike. Genre en une microseconde. J'étais comme quoi?
Ouais, mais je vais faire l'autre ma 2. Non, aujourd'hui.
Ah non, c'est vraiment. Yeah, so. Well, it is what it is. Damn, son.
Bon, je pense qu'il faut mon bac de. Attends.
Ouais, non, c'est ça. So yeah, guys, with all those news, yeah, you know what? I think the safest thing would be to call it a day, and that's it. You know. Let's see here. Can you paste? Oh, like the damn video. What's good, Sasha? Any wins today, bro? No. Just enter now, and kind of got screwed by that spread. It just went super well when I actually click it in a microsecond. I actually clicked my entry. It went like up to, I don't know. It was like probably like 10 pip spread, which is kind of retarded, but. Oh, yeah. Can you pay? Okay. Got late to your stream, man. Are there still any trades to make? Not really. I took an entry here, based on the fact that this bullish candle closed engulfing, and I was saying it needs to close above this major QP, and it closed like under, but I kind of anticipated to close above, and I click it and it closed right under it, right? So it is what it is. And right now for GJ, I mean, I'm just waiting for support to be formed in this golden zone. That's it. Man, pissed me off so bad right now. This trade is actually, at break even and it still says minus 15 pips. That's crazy. Holy man. Um yeah. So anyways, that is gonna be something to remember. I'm gonna remember that one for a while. Woo! This is the first time I get trapped into something like this. So I guess I'm gonna have to aim for a 2-1 here to make money. I guess yeah. Let's correct this move and we're gonna be fine. But if not, whoo, this one's gonna hurt.
Ben, still. 0.5.
Oh, and no, it's still only 0.5%, but still,
Sauve un peu, quand même.
Yep. Oh, yep. So let's see here. Said 118. No, 11. 79. 79. Yeah, that's crazy, man. 118. Holy man, it's over here. So basically, look at this. This was my entry. The orange line was my entry, you know. So I click it as soon as the open candle happened. So this is my entry, and this is where, because of the spread, this is where is my real entry technically, you know. So this is fucked up. Yeah, pretty wild, man. Holy, that hurt. That hurt. Man, that sucks. Crazy stuff.
Hey man, you gonna go for the course?
You said that? Oh, Francesco. All right, so this weekend we're gonna have a group training, and I need you to do an intro, a music intro for that training.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sweet. Awesome. That's gonna be exciting, man. Awesome.
Arrangé avec mon boss pour l'astéroïde. Ben, en fait,
How are you?
ben, tant mieux. Quand des shit cellulaires chez moi.
Mm.
La fin de semaine. Market. Oh, en plus, pas mal de travail. Dans mon horaire, ça.
Nice.
Mais sometimes, il y a bon, comme je me live. Ça va être devant mon PC. Trader à job. Pas tant bien.
No,
Oh non, non.
man. If
Ça va dedans, ça se fait?
ouais, ouais. If if it wasn't for that spread, man, I would be already my 15 pips almost got hit, right? So my break even was already set up at 11 pips. Man, everything was perfect. Got almost 15 pips in here. Yeah, this went to 15 pips now. So man, I would be securing profits. I will be out of this trade. But man, I had a 15 pip spread. We started. Yeah, started, man. So now my entry is like 118 because of the spread. So kind of right here, right? So now I need to aim for yeah, let's aim for that QP. Or maybe this. No, this is gonna be 13 pips. So yeah, maybe this QP maybe.
No interest. Hey
Crazy.
guys, I've got.
All right, take care, Francesco.
Not session.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh.
Yeah, this one was definitely gonna keep that one in my book, man. That's crazy. Started. Just started. Man. So horrible. No, I'm gonna make sure I don't get in when there's retarded spread like this. Just like, but to be honest, spread was fine. Just like a second before I pressed, it was good. I was like, all right, great. I clicked, and it was like, bam, it spiked up. It's like, oh shit. So, oh well. Oh well, oh well, oh well. Yes, I'm stuck in that trade right now. Kind of broke the high, so
Même sales.
oh ouais.
Ouais, pareil.
So if this 1 hour close above here, I think that's gonna be cool.
Mes pères sont juste en train de me perdre en ce moment. Capable de break even, quoi?
Non, même pas.
Ah,
Non, non, je suis encore dedans. Je suis encore dedans. Tan, 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 tan. Tan, 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 tan. Giorgio, man, I'm in this trade from 79,060. 70. Oh, he took it on the break of the high. Yeah, I guess, I mean, if price coming back down in this zone, yeah, for me, I will be out. Oh, ouais?
ouais, sorry, shit.
Oh, nice. And I haven't played NHL so far enough, but she will make them out and was this Xbox? Me, I don't care how good you are, guarantee podcast I can beat your ass.
Oh, look
I'm
at
sure
these.
it's not.
So if you're noob, I'll take you on, Jimmy, because I'm a noob too.
Alright. On commence. Je vais me mettre sur une minute.
Yeah, F1, dude. Have you tried the game too? The F1 game on Xbox is amazing.
Ah, for sure. Ah, je vais regarder.
Ah, c'est tellement fun. All right. Thanks for the heads up. I wrote that GJ down to the zone. Never traded that one before. Oh, awesome, man. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, Nazir, you're right. Totally right.
Dans notre podium.
Il t'a fait un thumbs up. You got Xbox One, right?
Ouais.
One game I was playing a lot before was Destiny.
passe de
Ouais.
facile. Ah, qui était pas cher pour ça.
Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun.
Et là, grosse soirée poker. Là.
Ah ouais, ça, je suis down. Moi, je jouais beaucoup. Là.
Encore là, un côté de défense.
GJ is turning bullish 30 minutes. Yes, as expected. So
I was
coming.
looking at the handle.
Yep. So same exact thing here. We got this nice rejection, respecting this major QP. Just need a support form in that golden zone, and I think this thing is gonna shoot up. Man, that GA trade pissed me off so bad with that spread. It's not even funny. Holy man, that hurt. Man, Janvier, I just can't believe how fast that spread went up. It's just like, holy. So basically now I'm at minus 5 pip, but technically I would be like 11 pips profit. So mad, man. So technically it's kind of a win, right? So the trade was called, buys here. So I mean, because I always put my stop at not stop at break even, but auto BE at 11 pips now, and now I backtest the 15 pips gain. So Sasha, in GG case, if 30-minute close bullish, do you wait for retracement or just executing a buy? I use dynamic risk. So basically I use one entry on the opening candle and I'm going to use another entry on the retracement. Yeah. That's something I do. So we got 7 minutes left. If this H1 candle close like this, that's going to be beautiful. Price might come down a little bit because it's going to be the opening of the H4 candle. And after that, price should be able to push up, right? But we need this H1 to close above. La, la. GJ looking good. GJ also looking pretty good. Da, 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 da. Come on, GA. Don't be stupid. Let's see here. I'm using Wanda since I just started. You recommend a better one? I'm in USA. USA, yeah, Wanda is, whew, I don't know. But USA, yeah, there's the Trader's Domain. There's a couple of them, but yeah, I would take a look at Trader's Domain, the US. So 190 likes, man. Can we squeeze 10 more likes and get to 200 before the end of the stream? Can we do that? 10 more to hit 200. I'm sure we can do it. So where is your SL and TP? Oh, on GA? My stop loss is at 837. Eight. What? Wait a second. 8837. 8. Right here. So this is my stop. And TP. Well, right now my TP is kind of screwed up because, since that spread, because usually my TP was like kind of right here. So my TP was hit. But the problem is when I entered, spread was like, it spiked to like 13 pips. So it kind of screwed up my entry. So now my real, this was my entry, right? But my real entry with that spread now is like 1-1 is right here. So yeah, it's kind of, so now I gotta aim for like 15 pips, like somewhere around here. So probably this next QP right here. So yeah, it's a stupid risk reward, but because of the spread, right? So I kind of got screwed in that one, but it is what it is. Make that coin, yeah, man. It's just like that. Just yeah, it was TP was hit. It's just like, god damn, spread pissed me off. So GJ is looking pretty good right now. GJ is looking really good. About to close in 3 minutes. Yeah, I think it's gonna be beautiful here. We close like somewhere around here. You have like kind of a 30 pip range. So yeah, that's good. What causes that such a big spread? I don't know, because news was done, so I don't know what happened. I don't know. Actually, when I pressed the button, it was like spam. So I was like, fuck. I thought you said 1 hour close. Yeah, it's the 1 hour close too. Look at the time. So it's the 30-minute close, but it's a 1 hour close also, right? So look at this 1 hour close. Look, close with a huge rejection, 30-minute form support. Looking at GA, I mean, now it's looking good. H1 form support. So if H1 closed like this on GA, that's beautiful, right? So probably gonna enter another entry on GA on this setup. We have like 1 minute ish left. Are you in now? Yeah, I'm still in that trade on GA. I'm still in that GA. I'm holding that GA trade, even if I had like 15 pip spread. Retarded. But it yeah, but GJ is looking pretty good also. G on that H1 looking pretty amazing. Yeah. Woohoo! I'm finally at break even. Woohoo! Man, I can't believe it. I still can't believe it. 15 pips spread. insane. Yeah, so I just grabbed another entry here on this this H1 candle. What about GJ? GJ's looking good also. GJ, well, I'm already in a GA trade, right? So
I just entered buy now.
yeah, I think that makes sense. I just want to see if we can wick down first. This is the beginning of the new H4, right? So we might wick down first.
H4. Tu dis souvent des week down.
Mm-hmm. That's a pretty solid close on H4. Solid close on H1. Solid close on 30 minutes. I mean, everything seems good. GJ looks good also. But I want to wick down first. Whew. Where would you place SL on GA? I use it a 15 pip stop loss fix.
You know what, Sash?
What?
Non, je vais même pas reprendre un truc.
Bon garçon. Ça, c'est un bon garçon. That's a good boy.
Mon démon qui parlait, là. Mon ange venait de dire que j'allais prendre le trade aujourd'hui. En tout cas, ça va good.
GJ is looking pretty good. But again, I want to see a wick down. Give me a wick down. Give me.
تمام عم تحرقوا لي اياه انت ما بتحضر الفيديو؟ برافو.
Oh, say what?
I'm speaking to my kids.
Oh no, Mom. um.
Sasha, I took the entry now at closing at bullish candle.
Yeah,
Now
in
you are
GJ.
looking for a retracement so you can enter.
So
The only thing that the only thing that's bothering me with GJ is this. It's a huge rejection here, but it's still, still close above this neckline. So, and my problem is that H4, H4 closed like, yeah, H4 closed resistance, So I don't know. I'm not feeling it. It looks nice, but I would wait for a wick down and a break of a high, for a better confirmation. Because my problem is this H4 bearish. I don't know. Yeah, so for me, just for better confirmation, I will wait for a wick down and a break of the high.
since the double tap, I got this.
Because maybe this was a break and a retest of that neckline also. If you look. So this was the neckline of the double top, right? So it might be a break and retest and coming down. So that's why I'm gonna wait for that. Because anyways, I'm still in that GA trade, right? And I enter second position, so not gonna be entering GG. But for me, it will be a better confirmation for price to come down, break that high. Since I got something like against me, I want that extra confirmation. Like compared to if you look at GA, the difference is 4 hours, form support. This is bullish. Price came broke previous high, close very very strong H4 above major QP. H1 form support close above major QP with a nice rejection to the downside. So that's why here I got more, things on my side. Woo! Finally, after 15 pips spread drawdown, finally this thing is in profit. Holy, that was stressful. No cap, guys. Ain't gonna lie, this shit was stressful. Even if I was only risking 0.5, right, on that entry. Now I just add another 1% on that new entry. But yes, so basically, yeah, I'm trading my stop now. Here. Finally, finally. It's about time. So right now, this first position is probably like 20 pips in profit, but only 5 pips in profit because of this. Yeah, I know. I keep on talking about it, and yeah, that's pissed me off. But now, I mean, looking at this now, I mean, we cleared all those wicks now. So now we're clearing, breaking those highs. So now after that, look left. If you look left now, I mean, after breaking this wick, look at this. Now we got some clean traffic, so it should be good now. But this H4 golden zone can be a rejection zone, so I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna be securing profit somewhere in that golden zone. And I'm gonna leave runner run. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Oh, wait a second. Finally, let's go. Sweet. All right, so now 8 pips profit on both position. Go. I guess that should work. But let's go to four. Let's go 250. All right, so what I'll do is I close one of the 2 position at 15 pips, and I'm gonna let the rest run. Probably, we'll see how it goes. But right now it's running at 8 pips on one of the position. Yeah, I'm gonna close. Oh yeah, what happened to GJ? Sorry, I'm focusing on GA right now, but oh yeah. That's exactly what I thought. You know, just like yeah.
Probably journal this one after.
Yeah, let's wait for that 1 hour to flip. Really, GA? Let's go, GA. Let's go. Let's go, GA. Let's go. Come on, baby. Let's do it. Let's do it. What time is it now? 9:14? Oh shit, I'm doing some overtime. Overtime, baby. Overtime. Here we go. Seems like it wants to push. Here we go. Here we go. Sweet. Home, Alabama. Let's go. Let's go. So this new position is now 20 pips in profit. And I'm going to be closing F right here. All right.
Je suis vraiment content.
So, yes.
Oh,
So I closed another 50% on that last position. And now stops at break even. And let's go, baby. Woo! That was quick. Not gonna lie, guys. I'm sweating a little bit. Holy! Oh boy, oh boy. God damn, that feels good. All right. So now I'm left with 25% on that second position. And yes, because I think this is a H4 GZ, right? So that's why I'm not gonna put a lot of hope in that runner. Man, I don't even know. I think price pushed way too fast. I don't even know if I was able to grab a picture. Oh yes, I was able. Whew. Just before hitting the TP line. Look at this.
So what was the reason?
I took it.
Oh, yeah, I wasn't there.
I took a coin. I said, all right. So if it goes heads, I'm buying. If it goes tails, I'm selling. All right, let's go. All right, I'm selling. Right? No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. Okay, so the reason was okay, so let's do this. All right, so price came up right here, right? We rejected this major QP, came down, formed support on 30-minute with this huge rejection here. So this, I said, this is gonna give fuel to the trade, right? So I enter right here on the opening of the candle, but as I entered, spread went to 15 pips, 15 pips spread. So that was retarded. So my entry was like here instead of being here. So I did twice. I did 30 pips basically because my entry was right here, right? So yeah, I think it was 30 pips. So basically my entry originally was right here. Right here, and price went to 30 pips. Okay, but my real entry on MT4 is right here because of 15 pip spread. Yes, I didn't see that when I entered, obviously. Spread was fine and it spiked up pretty quickly, so yeah. So yeah, so that was the reason. And after that, what happened is on H1, when it closed like this, I actually entered the second position on the opening of the new candle. Because it was closing nice, engulfing candle, forming support, closing above this major QP. So yeah, that was pretty good. Man, price went down to almost my entry. Yeah, I was at 2 pips from my entry, and now it's pushing back up at 8 pips. Because now we got clean traffic to the left side, right? So we have clean traffic to the left side, but this is a golden zone rejection. So that's why I closed most of my position in there, because I don't know if price is going to reject this zone. Woo, boy. But I have to say, man, I was sweating a little bit. Hey, man, we're missing one like. One freaking like. Who's going to be the lucky winner? No, I'm not going to give away anything. But you know what? Yeah, and I'm going to keep the surprise. But, oh, 202. Sweet. I love you guys. Thank you very much. Yeah, that was a good, very good win. Does Kerwin has a YouTube channel? No. He's mostly on Raja's stream. He came on our stream a couple times. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna send him a message. Maybe if we can do another one. He did. If you watch our our live session maybe 3 weeks ago, Kerwin actually did a breakdown on gold in Spanish. So that was the first Spanish breakdown on gold for Kerwin. So that was pretty cool. Hey Zane, what's up? Otobi stopped me at 11 pips. Let's go, dog. All right. That is the crazy spread. Yeah, it was just insane. It was just like, I don't know what happened. I don't know why it spiked like that. It's like, I don't get it. First time this thing happened to me. Yeah, right now my spread is low. Right now my spread is 0.8. Right now it's 0.8, 0.6, you know. It's back to normal, but when I entered, whew. All right, so I guess I missed some question here. Let's see. 30-minute close bullish. Okay, let's see. So we're here. We answer that. Sasha, I'm worried about the GA making a wick down and hitting my SL before climbing. Oh, that's truly possible. How about NU for the sell? Oh, you need to send a chart. We're gonna take a look at it. Could you do a wick? Could do a wick down on H1. Oh, definitely. Yeah, it needs to do a wick down first and push up. But so far, that H1 is just like pushing up, right? So now I'm at 3 pips, but just about to get stopped at break even. 1.7 is getting super close to my entry right now. Super close. Oh, wow, man, I don't even know how I didn't get stopped on that one. Wow, man, it was so close. Now back to 3 pips. All right. So let's see here. Any more question? How about could you do the 12 pip secure? Roman? Oh, nice, amazing. Does Kerwin also have a channel? Oh, we answered that. Good win, bro. Thank you. Bro, can you answer? Or answer what? Oh, I guess I just answered that. Sorry, I was late. Does Kerwin has a YouTube channel? Otobi. I mean, and guys, you can ask the guy. You know, why do you don't send a message to Kerwin and ask him? But no, he doesn't have. This is crazy spread. Yeah, okay. Gold crazy. Gold went to, I don't know. Let's see. Called the gold sell before. Actually went to TP right here. Whew. Man, if you're holding runners on gold, and you are cashing some money. So that was the trade from this morning, based on that 5-minute. So yeah. So that was a call from this morning. And man, that runner right now, if you're holding a runner from that call, whew, sheesh. Holy, that's 100 pips. 100 pips right there.
Oh, that's
Yeah, I know. People are funny. So let's see here. Can I ask you why did you enter at resistance on GA? Where do you see resistance? Where is that resistance?
so,
Where
parle
is
de résistance quand il parle de la résistance ici quand le marché était hausse.
Where-
So that's a weak resistance.
where is that resistance? Oh yeah.
This is a resistance form at the
Yeah.
market close. So that's a weak.
Exactly. So market was closed around here. It was just like range, right? And with this was my indication here. This huge wick to the downside, putting a lot of bullish pressure in that candle. and it broke that QP. I was expecting to close above, but at the last second, it kind of retraced down, and I was already my finger on that trigger, so I was a little quick, but you know. But support was formed, so what I can expect with the volume coming from NY Open and NYSC volume to break this weak resistance here. So if you see this was Asian, market close, here, like 5 a.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. So market is closed, right? So that's why it's just forming resistance. Man, I almost got stopped out at break even. Now it's back up to 8 pips. Phew. Pretty good. Pretty good. So now. What happened with all right, all right, all right. So no resistance, just a weak range. Yeah, I mean it's kind of a resistance, right? This one was a resistance here, but this one was not strong enough. And this one again with this NY open volume coming up at 8:30, I was expecting this candle to push and break this minor resistance here. Yeah. That's it. All right, guys. So I need to go. I think I have a one-on-one with at 9:30. I think. Yeah, in 3 minutes. With who was it? I forgot. I think it's Michelle. I think it's with Michelle. If I'm not wrong. Michelle, are you there?
Yeah, with me in 3 minutes, right?
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. All right. So give me 10 minutes because I need to take the dogs out.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna be ending the stream. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you Friday night for Forex Talk over beer. And if you didn't watch yesterday's episode, yesterday was pretty good. Okay, we went over that swing trade slash not swing trade, mostly like overnight trade idea. So watch how I catch like 42 pips while sleeping. So I highly suggest you rewatch that video if you didn't watch it. It's on the channel right now. So thank you very much for watching. Merci beaucoup d'avoir été des nôtres. Je vous revois vendredi pour Forex Talk over a beer. Right at the end, I got a spider that came down in my face. What? I hate spiders, man. God damn, I hate spiders. Where is it? Can't believe I did that on live. All right. So anyways, merci beaucoup d'avoir été des nôtres. Et je vous revois vendredi soir pour Forex Talk over a beer. Merci beaucoup. Bonne journée. Thank you very much. Have an awesome day.